Hey, pick a diff.
Pick a diff. No, nothing. Luke, pick a diff.
Yes, man.
I ain't got a clue what it means. I'm barely insulting you.
No, it's not an insult. It's what he really is.
Good morning, good morning. Welcome to the live streams again. A little bit later.
Are you here? I'm about to go make toasty.
Yeah, man. It's a very important call. Okay. Let's get some music on. I have so many tabs open right now. Mad. Mad. Good morning. See everyone slowly coming in. There's a lion. Choo. What is this? Oh, no, not that. Yeah, so well done to the people that took sells. Well done. Target got hit. Eventually the lowest target I had got hit as well. Amazing. I'm not in it myself anymore. But catch the tail. Pretty much. Let me do something real quick. There we go. Change this caption real quick. There we go. AMT, like the stream, my boy. Yeah, do it. Don't forget. Everyone's slowly coming in again. Hopefully we don't crash today. We've already done that multiple times.
What, you crashed?
No. But yesterday,
Oh.
my PC crashed a couple times.
Trying to get a new one. Trying to get a new one?
No, it crashed 2 times. I don't know why. All of a sudden, it just crashed. Pretty weird. But it's all Gucci now. Yo, Mitch.
Yo.
How's the streams going, man?
All right.
Perfect.
Every Sunday, Monday, and Wednesday,
That's
7:30
easy.
p.m. Eastern.
Yeah, I'm gonna show them in a minute. So, let's see what we can do. Go back to GJ for a moment. Probably not going to take anything on GJ. I've seen her moving pretty weird.
Want gold to come down a little bit more so I can enter.
Broke the previous daily high. Yo, TJ, hello, man. Sasha, Good morning. Good morning. Looking for buys?
How are you?
Yeah, pretty good. What about you, Sasha?
I'm good. I'm good. Just got on now, and I'm trying to catch up with everybody. What's going on? So yeah, I took a buy earlier, and
Where?
haven't looked at it now. In the Asian, the one I shared.
Oh
on
yeah, I
the-
know that. I know that.
Yeah, that was good pips all the way up. So I
Well,
closed.
then.
Yeah, 40 pips for my actual position, and then left a little tiny runner at the thing, but it was not too bad. It was amazing. Loved it.
Yeah, we just sold here.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, Chris and me.
Oh, amazing.
Uh,
I missed it. I wasn't here. So I was like, whoopsie, now what?
Yeah,
It was a good move, though.
Chris and I were
Amazing.
looking at this, and we're looking like
Oh,
it's,
right at the top.
it's ranging. It's coming up to that daily resistance. We're coming down. The trend is coming down right now. We're breaking these lows at the moment. We came back up to this daily resistance, and if you look on the 5 hour, there was actually a level sitting right here, which was very strong. 4 hour also resistance on the 4 hour. So we looked on the lower time frames to get in. The 15-minute wasn't showing anything, and then we saw a 5-minute close without a top wick, and then one doji pin.
Oh, yeah.
And I actually wanted to enter here, but this moved down. If you look at the move down in a minute time frame, look at that in a minute, it pumped down very fast.
Yeah, totally.
got-
So is that where you entered?
Yes, this is where I entered. Came up a little bit, one pip drawdown,
Sniper
and then
entry.
Yep.
Sniper entry, Lou.
But-
You're getting pro.
Chris had 2 entries as well. He was in a little earlier. He was in here already, so here in this bar he was in the first. No, here, lower. This was his first entry here.
Did he hold it?
Yeah, he held it, and then he entered more positions here at 7.
Oh, my goodness. That's
we
it.
had-
You guys killed it today.
We had pretty much the same average entry, and then but no.
I checked on WhatsApp. I think AJ also sold. I don't remember exactly where.
I got no idea. I didn't look at WhatsApp.
Yeah,
Only saw
I
your
think
thing.
he sold at later on. No, I was just checking now so that if what's going on, just to check on the analysis. I think he entered.
Oh, I see now.
yeah.
45.
Yeah. I think before 1806. Yeah.
I see, same entry as me.
Oh, amazing. You guys are doing good. Everybody caught that sell, and that was worth it.
I don't know. Not everybody, I think. A lot of people didn't do anything on it.
Oh, really?
But we were just looking because we're coming up to that resistance, and we're like, probably not gonna break that resistance. And then I looked on the 5 hour. And on the 5 hour, it really showed that nice thing right here. So I just got in, and I had my stop loss. I had my initial stop loss was pretty much above this high right here. So 1807.5, which was actually going to be my second, and no, wait, was higher. Higher. My initial stop loss was right here. Just 1801, 1808.1 was my initial stop loss at. So right here, above the blue, like at the blue line, pretty much, the top of this blue.
And that was a good one, because if it crossed that level, that means yes, it's not selling at the moment.
Yes, and
that was a very key point.
Yeah, this should have been the entry, but this was 5 o'clock. Was too late, and this should have been the second entry here in 1807.1. I wanted to enter here, like literally at like 2, 3, or 4. So, but I was too late. This happened so fast. I was too late. So yeah.
It was quick, but well, what I'm looking at, it's kind of a double top at the top. It retested almost the same area, and then dropped again.
Yeah.
And now it is creating a nice support there. That's what I'm seeing, and I can see it's been there for so long, and around this level specifically 17.99, and now this level is a killer level. It's been there, and it doesn't let us see any further, but I see if it closes anywhere between even I think if it closes between 1796 and then lower, that means that we are going down, because then
Yeah, but
we
then
will have a nice.
I want to first see if we do that. I want to first see a target created.
And if you're expecting any retracement, because I don't think there was much retracement. Was there any? I'm checking it out.
No.
Not a proper retracement for this move.
Yeah, I just wanted to break down 91 personally. So if we break, I want to see price just go like this. Then we're making lower lows, lower highs. Go to like what, 82 or 80, around that. And then I want to see just price do this, come back, and then my entries are going to be here, sell further down again.
Oh, if it does not break above again. Okay, all right.
Yes, so I want to keep out this zone, or even come back to this zone. This is going to be an entry zone as well, or this zone.
Because this morning move, price has come back down all the way. So you see, if on the daily, there's nothing but just a big wick at the top mainly and tiny body.
Daily. Yeah, we might flip this.
Exactly.
We rejected off this daily resistance.
Do you see that the news is at 2, I think, today?
Yeah.
And there's a long time. And until then, what if price won't do nothing here?
We have FOMC in the evening as well, so there's a high chance that we don't do nothing. That's why I'm being very, very careful with the rest.
Yeah,
of the day.
It's good to have secure some bits and then leave our runner. And now we will have 8 o'clock volume, and then of course 9:30 volume.
Yeah.
But even that will, I don't expect it to give me a big move, because there was a good move early in the Asian and then on the way back, and now I think it's gonna be just waiting, or maybe just go back up to see if people, or I can't say much because it is still indecisive, still in the range. I don't see a clear
direction
clear
right now.
break. No clear break towards any side. That's not apparent at the moment.
The only thing I see is on the dailies that we're coming down right now.
Yes, twice.
On the weekly, we're bearish. So I'm very happy with the monthly. Previous monthly is bearish. This is a retracement, so we're still bearish. So yeah, I'm very happy about the sell I took. I think there was I was talking also to somebody, and yeah, pretty good.
Maybe hold your runner, and your runner will be from the top, taking you all the way.
But also based on those higher time frames, I want to take more trades. I want to start looking more at the daily, weekly, and monthly, and then the 4 hour before taking any trades.
To be honest, your entry today was very impressive.
Like thank you. Yeah. Yeah, it was really that 5 hour, and then the 5 hour like this, and then that this rejection right here, and then the daily zone at the same place. Like, you can't get it any stronger. Well, weekly then.
And look at you, you're checking out like AJ, 5 hour, 3 hour, all the time frames which we usually didn't do earlier. That's some change there. Perfect.
Yeah, and then the 5-minute execution is savage.
Yes.
Because the 15-minute wouldn't have given you anything.
No, I look at 1 minute and 5 minute formation, how they're forming, because that time window to take the entry is very small. You know, you have to have to scale in.
5 minutes later, you're too late.
Exactly.
Even a minute, even 2 minutes later, 3 minutes later, you're already too late.
You're already too late. And when price comes back for the retest or stuff like that, we usually get stopped out. But if you're high up, then we don't get stopped out. That's what I've always seen. This is amazing.
I don't look at the 1 minute, but I only look at the 1 minute to see how fast did it move away from it. So on the 5 minute, I did the execution. And then later on, like now, I'm going to look at like, hey, how long did it actually take for price to move away from that level? And you can see it only took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes.
That's
to really push
and
away.
Exactly. And they're good pips. If even only that 7 minutes move is good pip. And I'm happy to sometimes even with those 30 pips or 25 pips or something.
Yeah, I think Chris is still in, I think. Chris is still has his position in. I had to close because my magic keys wasn't letting me close 50%.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So you closed it full. But
Yeah, I
you must
closed
have
full.
made good
20
pips,
pips.
yeah.
Yeah, 20 pips. I closed 20 pips.
Nice.
That's good.
Of course,
But it
it's
dropped
too
like
good.
82 pips now already. That's mad.
Mm,
I got one other comparison. Oh my god, you look like Elon Musk. Sake. Why do I get compared to so many people?
Oh God, he's a big shot. There you are. People like him or not, that's another story.
I was making a joke though. I think that's so good.
Where's Michelle and everybody?
I got no idea. No idea. Oh, I forgot to send in the link as well to the oh shit to the YouTube.
Oh, which link is it?
Just a link to here. Let me put that in. There you go.
Ray is on. Ray, come on, talk, woman. I'm seeing who else is there.
I didn't have any sleep today. I had a very important call.
Like important?
Yeah, important.
Okay, that must be very important in that case.
Very, very important. Oh, I saw someone in Retrace. It was something about me. What's your name? Martinus, put that back.
Where?
I want to see what that said. Oh, why is you come? Okay, I thought something different.
About Mitch?
No, about me.
Oh, about you.
Hello?
Yo, Mitch.
Yo.
There he is. He's like, you called my name, I'm here.
Any fresh trade on gold today? Yes, we took sells right here. That's the only thing we did this morning.
I'm almost here.
Yes. Mo.
Gola is here. AJ is here. AJ, how are you?
Oh, he's waiting
Michelle is here.
to hear
Ray
Michelle
is
say
here.
she
We got the gang. Max is here as well. I don't know if he's sleeping or not, but yes, people are here. That's good. We got the gang on, waiting for the right move, huh?
Yeah, I'm waiting for it to come down so I can get into these buys. And, I mean,
Pound
right,
yen.
take the breakout.
For pound yen.
No.
That's what he has on.
Oh, I'm looking at my screen. Sorry. I'm gold.
I'm like, okay, from AU to pound yen, not bad.
I'm gold. I'm in a trade still in AU.
How is it working?
Terrible. My runner's going backwards. It is being a pain in the ass today. I think it's just mad because I haven't been been there. Dude, I wish.
I'm looking at the setup. Momo is saying that he can't speak because his mother-in-law is at his place. She stopped you from talking, huh?
Oh, damn. It's like, if I
yeah.
talk, I'm about to get
She's gonna roast me.
backhand, boy.
Oh, God.
Yeah, I thought this pullback on gold was gonna get me out. Oh well, I was not in anymore, but that was gonna get other people out. Pull back and it looks like it was going up. It looked like it was going up.
Yeah. Because it rejected from this exact same space. If you look at the bottom, you know, it
double
respected
tap,
that support.
Yeah. So I was like,
it
oh, I was like, when I was in there, I was like, oh, I'm happy that I took my profit at 20 pips.
No, that's the benefit of being entering right at the top.
Because
right
there was no other entry that you could have had right here. Nothing. That's it.
I can't manage it if I'm not up there.
But
I
this
can't
was-
hold it for too long. I get too scared.
Yeah, this was so good though, because you see candle go up, no top wick, in bar.
Yeah.
And then break at the low. Well,
And
I could have already entered
no
right here.
top wick here and no top wick here.
Yes.
You see?
Choo.
That's amazing. Wow.
You know how fast this went down? It was mad. I was like, I'm gonna enter right here at the top, and then it opened and it was here right away.
Yeah, and without a wick or something to get me that entry.
That's like 5 pips difference straight away.
My.
Very nice.
Sami took a trade with me early this morning. So we are 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. is his New York side, and my time 9 a.m. in the morning, Asian. And we are looking for that candle to just find the right move. But if you do that, you're good until London. You're in the right direction.
What you caught that move yesterday at 9?
Yes, 9 o'clock move, Asian time. Asian session, that all the way
Yeah.
top move from the right and at the bottom. So you're like, if you catch that, I have also always seen that it works. So guys, please backtest. I told you all yesterday as well. Do a bit of backtest how to get this entry at 9 o'clock candle for the Asian. It has a good momentum, good volume each day, most of the days. If nothing, it gives me at least 15, 20. That's its minimum.
Yeah, no, that joint moves. I was waiting for I was trying to set up the stream, and because I was gonna stream, I just streamed for like a half hour yesterday for the news, for Aussie news,
Okay.
and
Okay.
and I missed it because I was trying to set everything up. By then it was already, because once you miss it, it's gone. It leaves the station. and
That's what Luke was talking about. Once you miss it, it's gone.
Gone. You're too late.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey Ray,
Can you
how you doing?
finally? Sorry, I had some trouble with the mic.
No ways. We're giving you a shout out. Ray, come over.
Thank you.
How's your day been?
Good. How's your day? How's the trading going?
Good. It was good. I just got busy doing the sells, but I got the buys.
I saw
so,
Luke. Luke took the cells from an amazing.
He called
entry.
out an amazing entry. He's proud
Amazing.
of it, and he's doing so good. I'm happy.
Well done.
So good. Imagine he is trying to look for a 5-minute right at the top entry, and he's still saying, I wanted it even higher than that. And I'm like, whoa. Is this Luke that we're talking to?
amazing entry.
He's
Was that
looking
on
at
the
5-hour candle? London.
Amazing. Well done, guys. I didn't take anything today though.
Hey, what you doing now?
No
Wait,
FOMO.
we don't know. Yeah.
We'll get to know later on after the session.
No, honestly, I didn't take anything yet. I'm waiting for the news. Let's see how it plays out. But I can show you something on the 1 hour if you're
Go
interested.
on.
Yes. 1 hour.
Okay, zoom out a bit, Luke, please. A bit more. Yeah.
More?
Yeah, smaller, just so we can get it from the top as well, higher than that.
I'll 1 second, Ray.
Yeah.
Let me tell everybody.
Yeah.
Everybody get on. Please pay attention. Attention, everybody. Ray here, telling us something important.
Thank you, Sasha. Now I feel the pressure. But yeah. Well, yeah, let me just quickly draw this. So on the 1 hour, we can clearly see this downtrend playing nicely. Okay. But okay, now, like, since we know that the bigger trend is a downtrend, so we're never gonna, we'll try not to catch the buys upwards, because all the big trends are at the moment on the 1 hour, it's a nice downtrend. And if you see this like moving very choppy upwards, expect always a big drop down. And how you set the take profit is from where the trend started.
So here.
Yeah.
Always gonna
So
come
that
back.
would be your take profit. If you test it, we have another one here, very choppy one, up, all, and this is your
Straight
take
down.
profit.
Yeah,
Wow.
even further down.
Yeah, and even here you can see up, up, down, up,
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
up,
beautiful formation right there.
I told you she comes up with some specific type of observation and
down.
secrets.
You see the same from the start of the move.
Yeah, no, it's like
Up,
it's,
and then all the way down. See?
now that you see it, you can't unsee it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is
Ray.
Yeah. So this is how like if you wanna hold trends and you don't know how to take profit, just wait for it to go back to where this choppy movement started, and keeping in mind that the bigger trend is down and we're only taking counter trends. So this is one thing. The second thing is if you go on the 4 hour, I think 4 hour.
I had that trend line that you draw. That was pretty obvious that it is respecting that, and that told me more confidence for sell from that point where I looked to sell.
I didn't have the trend line.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Solar for your home.
And
You're thinking
can you
about
shrink it?
solar for your home. Did you hear that?
You heard it? That's your ads.
oh gosh.
That's your ad. They selling solar panels.
Oh, thank you, man. You're paying me with that. Go ahead, Ray.
So if you shrink it a bit from where this up movement started, all like
Like
from the
this?
bottom, but a bit more, drag your screen a bit up higher.
Oh,
So
like this.
now, no, the other way. Yeah. So now, on the bigger time frame, we have an up move up, right? We have an upward move. So and look at how it's moving downwards. It's kind of what I explained,
Oh,
but in the opposite direction.
and then-
Choppy. Which is at the critical point at the moment because this upward move started from here, right? The second
The choppy.
upward impulse. Yes. So this is the turning point. So whether we break from this, which is where it looks at what I think 1791 was it?
Yes, yes.
It's the
I
critical
have it
point.
right here. Strong
Yeah,
zone.
to see if this is gonna continue all the way here and head back up, or break this and head all the way down.
And then we're gonna get
So-
this and then chew.
Exactly. So like so it all depends on what kind of time frame you're trading. If you're and what kind of trader you are. If you're happy with the 1 hour, then it's perfect because you're looking at the 1 hour downtrend and you're taking all the counter trends and setting
But
those.
Ray, do you want to look at the exact same thing which you told me on daily? If you look at the same thing on daily, where the move started is very low, isn't it? So we should be coming all the way down because we're choppy.
Choppy,
Not
choppy.
necessarily because yeah, we could come all the way down, but we're not sure if this impulse, because if you look here, if you look towards the left, second, we have this move here, right? And this was choppy, up, big move down. Where the second impulse was from. We have small impulse here. So how the market moves is we have an impulse, pullback, an impulse, pullback. But if the impulse is very choppy, then the pullback is going to be steeper.
Quick one.
Yeah, a steeper one. So what I'm saying is
That's
it
why
depends
this
what
is
kind.
like this.
Exactly, but look at how it moved up.
Very, very quick
Magic
move,
Dragon,
yeah?
now with your card.
With the good momentum.
Exactly. Exactly.
You
So,
like his
yeah.
sound effects, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah,
god.
depends. Like if you're trading every day, then you would look at 4 hour, 1 hour daily. But like it's always important to keep the big picture in mind, and it's always important to have the bigger trend in mind and not taking the choppy moves up, but catching the big sells down. You know.
Yes.
So
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 if
we
the
don't-
trend is bearish, you don't take buys, only take sells.
exactly, because it can fall down like steep moves downwards from, like not even from your
Like
like.
this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, this was a quick move down. But Ray, this was quicker, but then it started being a bit choppy from here, but then continued, and now it was being choppy on the way we are having it right now. So we expect it to just maybe, have a bit more low, but how would we determine on a higher time frame that to which level we expect it to come down to? Where it started having more sideways movements and less momentum?
No, just look back. Look here. Look at this level here. And then look at how many times it's been respected. And look, the strongest levels are the ones that break the support and come back to retest it and become a resistance, goes up, comes down, and always retests the same exact spot. So like you can always so you have, let's say you're going up, right? This is a support now, right? So until it breaks it and becomes a resistance, then we can always use this as a very strong point, because it's
then you're gonna
respecting
be
it.
That's where the price came back and retested.
Yeah, that's where I wanted to say it. So right.
Yeah. So, but sometimes you have levels which don't mean anything, which are like support, but then nothing holds and they don't ever come to retest it. So this level is not really strong anymore.
Yeah,
Like-
but as you can see here as well, it's like that you did see price come down this zone, but it never really tried to do this.
Yeah, but it also retested it here. See? 12. Here. And we're talking about the daily.
I see.
Yeah, we're talking about a daily time frame. So look how many days it tried to break through and it didn't. And now we broke through. We're still here so many days.
Yeah.
And we didn't do anything with this level, like nothing. So
No.
like
You're
looking
right.
back, it's still valid
And
as
even
a
here,
strong
how many
price.
times they tried to break it in this area as well and respected it and kept struggling for some time, like we did now.
And this is also very strong, the next strong level I see, because look at how many days we have here. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, like a week here. And then we have 2 days here at the low. So it could come all the way down here. Let's see how many times it retests this, if it's going to continue up, or if it breaks it, retests. It's going to retest because we still have here previous points that have been
Looking at this one.
Yeah, exactly. So it's just about how you read it and how like price reacts to an exact certain level, and probably if you round the numbers, then it's probably a round number there.
Key levels, or these are the key levels that we should always have in our mind and expect a reaction from the market.
Yay!
Who wrote that?
Oh, there's only one I know. I'll make the other one. Thank you, Riri.
You're welcome. But like, just I don't believe in fibs and all that. It's good to have confluences, but like what you already need to know is already like, if you look back, there's always a story. Like there's always wicks or rejections or supports that turn into resistances, and those are the levels that you want to take. And then you look, because you have a bigger, because you have a bigger time frame, and then you have a microscopic vision of these bigger time frames, which are our entries on the smaller time frames. So
that's true. And what I'm looking at 4 hour at the moment, I see even until 1789, it has wigged down to all these levels. I don't know when you're going to, we are all going to call it's bearish now. It can re-tap to any of these areas and still remain bullish and return back from them.
Yeah. Right now until now, I think there is still room for price to go either way.
Yeah. Because either way, and especially even down, it wants to push down, looking at the momentum, how the last 4 hour candles were. and how the the level 1807 was respected. Because yesterday, remember, we couldn't break 1805. We couldn't do it. Today we were able to tap into 1806 or exactly 1807.5ish area. So yeah.
But also we need to be considerate about the news, because the news could take us all the way back up before dropping down. So
because when we have a big top wick, they get refilled. Sometimes they do.
Yeah, it could go either way. That's why it's best not to trade the news directly, but if you're in positions before the news, like from Asian session or something, then it's safer to hold that than to enter something after the news, or like during the news. But it's okay to enter something after the news if you see like a quick rejection, like if it goes
but
up.
I must say, gold and the price maker, all of them are absolutely unsuccessful deceiving us because I am totally 50-50. I do look sells, and I still believe that it could be buys as well. It can wake up and maybe give us 18-20 years if it's a big move. It has to be a big move. So it's really funny. And if you go to 4 hour, Luke, you'll find a funny pattern that shows you it's so symmetrical that I'm unable to extend the make them a bit higher. Yeah, so if you look at this part right here, so you see this, all of this is making a nice sweet pattern and you don't know which way. Right now it's showing bottom, and I mean towards the lower end, but it has been like that. Highs are there and very symmetrical. They're stuck in the middle.
Yeah, and it's also a reflection of this area, so we're having an exact reflection of, but like I expected that. I said it last week. I expected that since this happened previously, then this whole range it's gonna happen again, because they still didn't finish gathering their liquidity. There's a lot of orders that's happening right here.
Wow.
But until it breaks this box, either upwards or downwards.
Do you expect it to break today?
I think if it's not today, then next week for sure. Yeah, but like if you look at the monthly, right now we're here, but this candle could close something like with a small body.
Yeah, I was thinking the same.
Yeah, which might come back up next month and push all the way down, or it can engulf it all the way up here. So we're at the range where we don't know at the moment, because we had a perfect engulfing.
Yeah, we respected the low and the high now in this one.
Exactly. The best strategy for today is to react to the price and don't be biased towards any side.
Yeah,
just react.
I don't expect it to be an easy trade with the news, but
yeah, I think so too, because these exact buys, the same amount of pip, bringing it all the way back down to the same level. You see, if you look at the bottom of the 4 hour, where the price is, it came back exactly where it started from for the day.
Yeah, it's delicate. Looks like maybe zone could be something. No, it's too high.
Yeah, it looks like it. It looks like this. Yeah, here.
Also, it can be a push down and then a push up, not necessarily just in one nice simple direction. It can entice all the sellers and engage them.
Yeah, but if you look at the weekly and the trend line, this is the trend line, right? We broke out, came back, created support, and we didn't have the momentum to retest the high.
But yeah, this is something I figured out, Luke. When you draw a trend line, let's say you draw this here, and then this is a lower high.
Yeah.
So this trend could go perfectly down, but if you look at this and this, we're on the same level here. So so the best practice to do is to adjust the trend line to the newest high, which is similar to this.
Okay. So like this.
Does that make sense?
Like this. Oh.
Yeah, because we're trying to get a full picture, and this.
This now then, right?
Yeah, now it's perfect because this high is equal to this high. So if the trend line doesn't encounter the new prices at the moment, it's a good practice to just increase it to where price is at the moment, because it only takes 2 points to make a trend line. So
this could say price could come back now to like 70 or somewhere here, 60 before dropping further now.
Exactly, which is also like in level with this resistance, right?
Yes.
This level over here. Does that make sense?
Yes, 100%.
Okay. Yeah, so that's why I'm a bit skeptical of price at the moment, because we're in a range. So until it breaks out.
Daily.
Ideally, what could happen is, look at this. It's perfect. Like, it's a perfect example of how the impulse is choppy, and then we have a break, and we can have another choppy, and then a break.
Well, these zones right here don't like have you, because this was a big zone, right? When we come into these, we sit here for a few days, right? If we come down, you don't think we're gonna sit like that here?
Yeah, we could sit down.
Yeah, if we.
Because then that's like a 70 pip range, I believe.
Yeah, which is what's happening.
What's
happening here now with this range.
Oh, the rally base rally.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the same. This, but the top is the same as this and this.
Yeah, exactly.
It's accumulation phases.
Interesting.
Rally base rally, rally base drop, drop base rally. Shit like that.
I think there was a different area I was looking at. Let me just send a chart. That I'm looking at this moment. So that's the zone I was talking about, right? So if we come down, right, we did this, came up, came down into here, came up, gonna come down into here, but look how long we stayed into this area, right? This is a long time we stay in here. It's only 70 pips from here to here, right? So if we come into here, then are we gonna make this move backwards, right? Not the whole move, but to come into at least here to come back up.
It's a good one.
Like that zone right there, right? Because that's a strong. It bounced off of it, then broken and bounced here. Let's never look back, right?
Yeah, you can also see though that this was a rally, and you see here price is really going down slowly.
Well, I believe this is Corona, right?
Yes.
So
irrelevant then.
Yeah. But just like these zones here before, right? Before it hit.
See, yeah.
Because even then during it, it took some time to get above that.
Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I started trading somewhere here. Go a little bit more left. Oh, no. Somewhere here.
Like, look how far you've come.
Yeah, all the way up. Jeez.
Luke, you still in these cells?
No, I'm already up.
Right.
Right. Yeah, this thing is dropped. Oh shit. I got out with 20 pips.
20? You're lying to me.
Yeah, I'm lying. No, I'm not
Yeah, I
lying
knew
to you.
it.
I'm not lying to you.
You're trying to piss me off.
I'm not lying to you.
For
85.
real?
Yes.
That's it?
Yes.
What do you mean 20 pips? How the fuck did you get only 20 pips?
Because they're closed.
Why?
Because we were respecting this level.
What level? So?
But no, the real reason why is because Magic Keys didn't let me close 50%, and I just wanted to secure positions. And I don't have MetaTrader on my phone.
Why?
Yeah, because I don't.
Sometimes I think to myself, like, yeah, delete that shit before you go outside. I swear, bro. It'd be like on the days where I know where it's gonna go and I know I need to execute, but I can't be on the charts. Those days.
Yeah.
They get me every time.
Yeah, it went down pretty well. Went down pretty well. It's all good though. I'm happy with what I took.
Me too. Still holding the shit.
You in too?
Yeah.
From where?
You could guess twice.
Same entry as mine.
I don't know.
1807.
No.
What Mitch
No,
saying?
Mitch.
1805. 7.
Nah, I got in right where you right here.
Same as me.
Or you same as me.
Oh. What?
Those are my traits.
No, you didn't call it out. You
Oh,
said you
what?
didn't take it. Yeah, you say you
there's-
didn't take it.
There's reasoning behind that.
Yeah, I know.
I did say I didn't take it, but I was in that shit swimming the whole time.
You're like, finally this guy is getting it as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're pretty much at the same entry as the second entry as Chris then.
Yep. Remember I said if that candle closes like that, it's going to shit.
Yeah, and even
Like
at the
that.
no top wick, the
Yeah. Yep. So if that candle closes like this, we're going to shit.
yeah, you said
That's
it.
exactly
No,
what
we
it did. That's exactly what it did. It's the hanging man candle right there. That's just lit.
I lied to the teeth. Yep, we have around 330 people in. We just had a very nice explanation. Don't forget, this is Ray Ray. If you want to follow her, she has very nice motivational things showing what she does. She also sometimes shows where she's going to enter or what trade she took. So if you want to get knowledge, it's all in right here, man.
Thank you. Please don't follow me on my personal account.
You don't have a
Please.
personal account, Ray.
Trust me. It's been ridiculous the last few days.
You don't have a personal account, do you?
Not anymore. I'm deactivating.
No, but don't forget to follow. Pretty good. Then we also have, let me go to the right ones. And like Koala. Mr. Bank
Koala,
Robber
Koala.
FX. He also
Bank
shows
Robber.
his shit.
Go to the story. Go to the story. Go to the story.
Okay, let me see.
Go to the story.
Oh boy!
Just chilling, bro.
Sick. Yeah, man, like Koala. He also, yeah, this was yesterday. No,
2 days
2 days ago. So he shows what he does. Shows what he's looking for. Don't forget. Check it out. Very, 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 very good. Also, for the people that don't know, a lot of people don't know this. Man like Mitch. Find it real quick. There we go. Man like Mitch also does the live stream Sunday, Monday, and Wednesday for the Asian session. So, you know, Mitch is always in there, always with the bandana thing, with the the sunglasses on. Very good guy, very good trader. So if you want to get some knowledge, check in right here as well. The 30 is pushing back up. I do think it's going to go back down to 1500 flat, to be honest. It broke the trend.
Got him.
Got him.
Hey, can you go to the 5 minute on D30?
Sure.
Let's see what that shit did. Where was that shit at this morning? Fuck. Oh, right here. Yeah, he got wicked out.
What?
It's right here. Breaking this candle. TP right here. But that shit just disrespected everyone right here.
Yeah. This is at 9 o'clock. That's London Open. You gotta be careful. London
Yeah.
Open, D30. You're gonna get destroyed.
Cleared out the highs and then.
Yeah, the psych. We're gonna go back down.
Yeah, fuck that. Oh, fuck with that pair.
That's pretty good, actually.
I ate too much. My stomach hurts.
What do you got?
So I had some sauce, pasta sauce, in the fridge.
Yeah.
And I just cooked up some pasta, but I ate too much pasta.
Damn, boy.
Yeah, I'm hit.
Hello. Good morning. Gold is confusing you. I understand. Rage. Yeah, pretty good, man. Still talking about the new whip. Yo, Ray.
Yo,
Look what I got.
what did you get?
I'm gonna show you.
I like the suspense.
The what?
The suspense. Look what I got, and then there's a few moments of silence.
Yeah. Where is it? I don't know if you already seen it. Maybe. Look. My mini thing.
Oh my god, it's so cute. It's actually nice.
Yeah, it is.
Wow.
It's only 7 months.
Do you get it secondhand or?
Pretty much new. No one wasn't. It wasn't from anyone else before. Look, no registered name on it. I'm the first registered name on it.
It's really nice though.
Yeah.
It's
Smart.
convenient for Netherlands.
Yeah, of course. And you see, it's open roof.
No way.
Yes, look at it. It's open.
Wow.
Yeah. You know the thing?
That's a convertible right there.
Yes, it's called a convertible.
It's really
Yeah.
nice.
Simple, cheap. All you need. It only has like 5,000 kilometers.
That's nice.
What do you guys this cussing about?
Oh,
Is it the
nothing,
houses that you
nothing,
were
nothing,
looking at?
Sasha, nothing. That's.
I'm gonna kill you for that. I'm totally left out. I saw some posts with a lot of nice bungalows and apartments and all that Guala, and it was like not
Yeah,
bad.
we're soon becoming neighbors.
Neighbors, real estate agents.
Yeah.
We're all gonna live in the same house and party every day.
And where is this gonna be? Amsterdam, huh?
Fuck no. Amsterdam don't even got a beach. You can't drink Coronas on top of a building. You need a beach for that.
Where we're going?
What
Go
other
to Google Maps
place?
right now. Let's see where we're
Rubber
going.
weed is legal, man.
Bring it on.
Keep that in mind for some of us. That like to elevate.
Bro, weed is legal damn near everywhere. Cops don't give a fuck if you smoke weed. They more
Yeah,
tripping
but-
about the people that's tripping off cocaine and shooting themselves up with heroin.
Yeah, but can I walk into an establishment and purchase said goods, right? That's what I'm trying to get at.
Okay, okay.
I need to go grocery shopping at the grocery store for my groceries.
Know the thing.
Look, I read
Yeah.
some interesting comments from the lounge.
What? What?
Go on, rage.
What did you read?
Oh, rages? Yeah.
Rages.
Who knows? Who knows?
What's he saying?
He's saying I'm picking up ladies with my car.
Oh no. You're on the wrong
Yeah,
street.
right. It's worse than that.
Yeah, no,
About to
definitely.
bring all the ladies. Oh, you're mad. This guy, since the moment I got my new car, he's driving around with ladies.
Yeah, Rages, he's a cool dude, man. He's my man.
What?
Rages, he's a cool dude.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I laugh about it. Every single day, he's like, hey, look how's it going with the ladies in the car. I'm like, bro.
I need to be able to get Za for the weekend at Guala. Don't call me, man. Call your plug for that shit. I don't get my hands on that sticky shit. I'm a good boy, bro.
Say so.
I really am.
Is that comment to the disclaimer or is it just a comment?
It's a fact. It's a fact. You know?
And speak facts in that. But where are we moving to?
The fucking Spain to that big house with the windows next to the beach.
Now let's go then.
And just sip Coronas in our yard. Pina coladas. Listen to that song. I want a pina colada. Look at that.
Man's enjoying the thing, the life.
Be sipping pina coladas
And what else? What do you want to say?
watching the sunset. Bro. What the fuck else am I supposed to say?
Oh shit. God damn. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, it was in Benidorm.
Holland hasn't even got a beach. Yes, it does.
I live near the
Scheveningen.
beach. I live like 5 minutes away from the beach.
Scheveningen pik.
So I went there a couple times.
It's lit there, huh? On a hot day.
Yeah, it's pretty lit.
Make sure you take your sunglasses with you, boy.
Yeah, I only went there in different situations, but it's all okay.
Ah!
And the new car, huh?
We got a new car, yeah. No, last time I went there was 2 years ago or something. No, it's not. 1.5 years ago. I was in Scheveningen, yeah, 1.5 years ago, I think. Well, on the beach. I've been there many times, not on the beach.
When is our rap song gonna be ready?
Well, let's do it now.
Where's the... No, Sammy's working on a legit record for...
Oh shit.
Yeah, he is. And he said he's gonna have his friend come over and do the jamming, but I don't know if they showed up or not. It's gonna be interesting. He said he's gonna
Okay.
release it properly. Yeah.
We should have an introduction, you know? Every stream.
It's
Turn on the
amazing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, totally.
Oh my god. My days, fam. Oh shit. I found something nobody knows.
Luke, your verse is awesome. Did you hear it?
Wait, no.
No?
I have a verse.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Do I?
Wait, let me play it. Wait, let me find it.
No way.
I don't know if we can play yet. It's not
Wait.
finished. Right?
Send
So
it to
you
me
can't
on
play it
me on WhatsApp. Don't play it on here. Wait,
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
But don't release it before the same Sami's one.
Yeah, okay, I won't. I'll send it to Luke's WhatsApp.
Yeah. Because I think he wants to actually, have a proper release.
Oh, Sammy's a G for this. He got me singing a line. Oh shit. Okay. Let's see if I'm ready for this. I found some.
I just sent it to you.
Oh, let me
Check it out.
Let me mute my microphone for a minute. And we'll listen to this thing. Oh, I'm accidentally opening Spotify. That was not what I wanted.
Ooh.
I can't hear you, Luke, by the way.
Yo, why do they look like they're jamming to the same song? Are y'all? Guala and Luke, they're bobbing.
Yeah, whereas we can't we can't even hear them. They're pretending okay.
Look at Guala. Look at Guala and Luke. Look at
I
the
know
beat.
he's in full exactly.
Guala, bank robber. I think he's on the phone. Mitch, you look like you're in Iceland.
Yeah. The beach was giving me a sunburn on the top of my head, so I had to leave and go somewhere a little bit more relaxing.
Northern lights and all. Cute baby.
Yeah. It's got to catch the pips too. Baby pips.
That's a website.
Oh shit! Oh goddamn! He needs some
What's
milk.
that?
That was pretty sick.
It is.
You
It's
didn't
not
listen-
finished.
It's
How
already.
come you didn't hear it before?
I didn't
That's
click on. I
surprising.
didn't see it. I didn't click on it then.
Oh my god. We all commented and everything. I think you were busy with someone.
With someone. Oh shit! With someone. Okay.
What? You had a long call today.
Today, yeah, but that was a special occasion. Yeah.
Okay. Whose birthday is it?
What?
Whose birthday is it?
No one. What are you laughing at?
Oh god, nothing.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
just not saying anything.
You good, Mitch? Don't die.
AJ, you're coughing. Is that
Oh.
your hello?
I thought it was Mitch. Oh no. Oh, I'm looking at way different things right now.
Oh, what you're looking at, Luke?
Mitch is
no,
Mitch
don't
is
worry
with
about it.
baby pips.
Yes.
Yeah.
Soon about to be millionaire before he's 10 years old.
No,
I think
3.
AJ, you're awake now.
Okay.
I like that. I like that. I like that.
There you go.
Oh damn. It's yeah. I'm just on the trip right now.
Wait
So-
for it to end. Apparently he's working on it. Still not finished yet.
It's cool. It's
But
really,
he
really
wrote all the lyrics. Can you believe that?
It was
cool.
amazing.
Yeah, but that's
And he sang.
sick.
It was
Oh
perfect.
damn. Boy.
He is a talented fellow here. I'm impressed.
That's pretty sick. That's pretty sick.
And the lyrics are exactly to everyone's. You know, he made sure that they relate to
Yeah,
them.
they relate. It's not mumble rap. This is straight
No, exactly.
sick. It has a
Alright.
story.
But whose voice is that?
I think it's himself.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's himself. I think that's Sammy himself.
Yeah.
Oh
He
shit.
he keeps singing around in the.
Everybody in gold cells.
I was.
Oh yeah. Here
I'm up.
is our chap.
I'm up 95 pips.
Well done, man.
The
95. My intro is
Amazing.
at 1806.75.
Sick.
AJ, I took the buys as well initially.
So it's gonna be a good day.
It's gonna be a good day.
No,
Rage
this
is Luke is gonna be
crazy.
driving around in his new whip playing his song for the ladies. My god. Eee, I didn't expect that.
Definitely, but I'll tell you that.
What? I didn't expect that. And it's already that long. It's pretty long. Damn.
Yeah, it is pretty long. And he I think it took him a day to do it, like less than a day to just write all of that.
That's really impressive.
But I think he does it as a side profession as well, like songwriting.
That's impressive.
Yeah,
Impressive.
lyrical beast.
Hot goes
Insane.
taking the shit.
Oh my god.
Enough with the sound effects, squad.
God damn.
Just keep leaking.
What?
Leak.
Who?
Leak.
The other thing. Yeah, we're all looking here at the charts. Prices
Come on.
moving.
So my HR asked me when I'm coming
It's
back to work.
dripping. It's beautiful.
H&R, send them send them the sticker you send me. Dead. If you do that, you're a legend.
Nah, bro, I need to stay on sick leave for another month. Been sick for like 2 months, just kicking it.
Oh shit.
I hope he's not watching the stream.
I'm gonna send this in the group. They know what we're talking about.
Otherwise, I'm hit.
Oh, whoa, relax, man. This mountain thing, yeah, insane. We're just waiting it, guys. Don't try and jump in anything. Price already on the low. It's dumping right now.
Hell no, exactly. Don't sell so low.
No, it's dumping right now. We had all the entries here on top. Entry was right here. The top, we dropped like more than 100 pips now.
Luke, what did you base your entry off?
I'm gonna show you in a second.
Okay.
111 pips down. Cheat.
He told all the details about it just a while ago, and it was a good entry.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, I know, but like
Yeah.
people are watching just so that they can understand.
Yeah,
what
so
happened.
we had the
Mhm.
moves coming down,
100 pips. Let's go.
and I was looking at the weekly time frame, right, and we were still bullish. So I was like, hey, what's the probability on a Wednesday that we're gonna flip? right?
Remember what I said?
And then
Wednesdays are reversal days.
yeah, and then we went to this daily resistance right here at 1806.5, 1806.7, around that. And I started looking for sells on the lower time frames because I was expecting this to be respected, tapped into, respected, and pushed down. Then I went to the 5-hour time frame. I went to all time frames. I went to the 5-hour, and I saw an order block on the 5-hour here sitting, which already got tapped once before at 5 o'clock in the morning in my time. And on the 4-hour, it was also sort of a thing, but also a resistance. So when price started tapping into that, I was going to the lower time frames, and I saw that bullish momentum wasn't that strong anymore. Where this push up, and this was the candle I got into. And then I started going to the lower time frames for the entries itself. And I saw this 5-minute pushing up to the zone, closing without a top wick. And it was pushing up pretty fast, right? So there was still no direct sell for me right here at 1807 flat, because I wanted to sell first at 1805, 1807.5, 1807.2, around that. That was, if it already tapped that, I would have already been selling. Then I waited, candle closed without a top wick, waited again. Was a little risky. It was looking like it was going to push down very hard in one go. And then it closed very weak, right? And then, first of all, I wanted to enter on the close right here at 1807 flat, but I was too late and it pushed down, and I did really want to see like a small top wick, but that didn't happen. Pushed down, broke the low, and then I was like, hey, we already have a created low here, so we have a target first of all. So we're not selling direct low. So I got in right at the break, so 1806.5 to sell down. Started going down, down, down. 20 pips, I closed my position. I could have let a runner run, but again, what I said before, magic keys and all of that. But at the end of the day, price never came back to my entry, initial entry. So yeah, very, very good. Well done.
That's
That was
Should
awesome.
have held that shit.
That's awesome. Well done, Luke.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Yeah, I could have hold it, but next time I'm just gonna close that 50% and leave the rest. Thank you,
Dude,
thank
I
you,
had
Ray.
I had sell limits, and I was asleep.
Damn.
When I woke up, I was like, damn. Because I was looking at it like, if you go to the 1 hour or the 4 hour or whatever it is, yeah, 1 hour, and zoom out, right? This push down from here to here, right?
Oh yeah, this 7%.
This is 70, between 70 and 79, right?
Yeah.
And then you do have like you said, you have a 1 hour, you have a 4 hour, you have a 5 hour, you got a bunch of order blocks in this area. So I had sell limits at 1806.75.
Yeah,
that's where I had my sell limits. I got activated and straight profit.
Yep. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, it was pretty good. Pretty good. If it tapped, I wanted to first tap into the zone to sell directly and have my stops pretty much right here. But then I only was able to enter here, and I still had my stops here at the top zone. And then immediately when this candle started pushing down, I just put my stops above and let it play for a moment.
You can see it tapped into it in the lower time frames. So like if you see like on the 30-minute, it tapped into an order block on the 30. At least in my broker. In the hourly, there is.
Yeah, on 1 hour it pretty much did. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah,
so
like a couple pips, like
exactly
3 pips.
I had 2 sell limits. I had the highest one at 108, 1807, 95. That was where I had my highest one.
Yeah.
Right. But that one didn't get activated because like sometimes it doesn't go all the way to where you want it to go, and you don't want to miss the move.
Yeah.
So you just gotta have. I split up my lot sizes into 2. I had one just like at the bottom of the range, and I had one on the top of the range. So they both one different. Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, for me, I was a little bit focused on the 5, I think. But that pretty much tapped already.
The 5 did get tapped.
Yeah,
it doesn't.
Only it already tapped before once. This was gonna be the second time then. But this was the initial best-selling opportunity, but that was at 5 o'clock, so I wasn't awake at that time.
Yeah, but even if you missed the move from the top, right? You could have gotten in on the 5 minute.
Where?
Like if you missed this move from the top, right? Right here, you missed this, right? You could have gotten in.
I got
from
in
here.
right there.
This right here, from here to here, this you could have gotten in. Because now you know that you have these equal lows, right? Equal lows, right? You know they're gonna get tapped into this. So when price comes to here, this is 70% or 50%, 618. This at least.
Yeah.
So that this could have been your entry.
Yeah, I just took it on this 5 minute and at this zone, strong zone, break of the low. That's pretty good.
When is
Yeah,
the
I
news today?
saw this and I was like, yeah, everybody's gonna be buying.
What do you want to say, Ray?
When's the news today? Like in how many hours?
For me at 8 o'clock, and then 4 o'clock we have oil inventory is a thing. Crude oil inventory is at 4:30. For me now 2 o'clock. Okay, my time. For me. And then 8 o'clock my time. Probably in a couple hours we're gonna get that FOMC thing. Yeah.
FOMC is today?
Yes.
Oh shit! I'm gonna hold my position though.
Yep, FOMC today, and then tomorrow, Thursday, we're gonna get unemployment claims for PCE price index. That's Friday.
So it's news from today to Friday.
Yes.
Nice.
Very nice.
All right, this is on New York Open now.
Yeah, pretty good catch this one. I'm happy with the 20 pips now. Next time I'm gonna leave the runner run and.
Did you do how many lots?
No, it doesn't matter. Yesterday I did a bit pretty okay lot though. Yesterday I did pretty okay, but that wasn't a win. I don't want to really. I need to get comfortable first for a moment. Not comfortable, but you know what I mean.
Yeah, you're doing the right thing.
Like with my other strategy, I could easily went to that. Like 2 lots me. This one, doing like the full-on in and outs. That's really getting there.
Someone wrote in the chat, like, news is at 2 a.m. from where he's at. Where are you from? Where are you guys from?
Me.
It's interesting. No, from the chat, like, they're like 2 a.m. The news comes out at 2 a.m. at their time. That's insane. In Asia, maybe? Thailand. Awesome. From India. Dubai. Oman.
Damn.
Whoa, you have an international fan base, Luke.
Yeah. You can if I go to analytics, I can look where most people are from.
Nice. This is awesome. Like you have people following from at like really late at night, and some people it's early in the morning and everything.
Yep. I can show.
Where are my Middle Easterns at? Nobody from the Middle East.
Here, this is what we see. Where the people from? Most people. Top 5. And then we have ages.
Nice. It's a whole
Put
breakdown.
C more for Geog.
What?
Yeah.
People who aren't subscribed, why are you not subscribed?
Yeah,
Go
what's
ahead,
going
subscribe.
on? We do have a high percentage, though.
Yeah. Well, thank you guys. This is awesome.
Damn, 8% female.
It used to be 10% and 8 and then 10 and still okay.
Yeah, but the relative age is it sounds about right. 25 to 34.
Yeah, sounds about right. Yeah.
We have 13 to 17 years old watching as well, 0.3%. But they forgot Mitch and his kid.
We forgot Junior, man. What? Junior's left out. We got 6 months up there.
That's insane though. 12.7% from India.
Yeah. Wait, I'm gonna go deeper into this. 1 second. Give me 1 second. Okay, you can see all the states. One moment. You can see all the states right here. Oh shit. There we go. So India, US, however, got Kenya, Australia, Singapore, Nigeria, Philippines, Pakistan, Germany, Netherlands, everything.
Wow, this is awesome.
Hong Kong, everywhere. Saudi.
Look, AJ, I have a lot of Saudis. 1,607 viewers.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Those are all my views.
Yeah, man. I think graphic source. The amount of impressions. 6 million impressions.
Insane.
Nearly 7 million impressions. Nearly 200,000 watch hours. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah, thank you guys. The only thing I can say, pretty much.
That's awesome.
There's way more analytic stuff than just this.
He's like, man, I'd love to see Raj's stats. He does show it, doesn't he?
Yeah, I've seen it a couple times.
What do you guys think about gold buyers from 1992 to 1995 up to 1850? Maybe.
The news
You gotta
is
wait.
very important right now.
Just for me at this point, if you didn't sell from here, from the top, I would not be buying here right now just because of the news. Because this could just keep going. Because this area has been respected for forever. Right?
Yeah.
Weekly, daily, 12-hour, every time frame, this area is a strong support. Even though you should be buying here, but today's catalyst could break through this area to get all the buyers that are buying in this area. I would be buying from 1775. That's where I would look up to buy. What is it, Sasha?
I said there's still like 4 hours for news, I think, or more, 6 hours. Can I scalp? I'm doing it.
You can do what you want. It's your money.
I can't help because unless you said don't buy here, it's like, but AJ, I'm already 15 pips up. It's not too bad.
I mean, you can scalp it. I mean,
Scalping is okay.
15 pips up, you should be good. If it goes up, it goes up. That's good. But like,
Yeah,
I'm not trusting the support today. There's no way I'm trusting the support today.
Yeah, I've secured at this point 80% because it's just a scalp. That's it.
Remember, I've said it so many times. You get the push up, you come down to the 50, right?
Yeah.
You get a push up, and then it
And then
comes down,
70.
takes the 70, and then goes up. Right?
Yeah.
That's exactly the same thing that's happened here. If you go to the 4-hour loop, you'll see it.
Really?
Right? Come out. Right? pushed up, came down, made support. This is 50%. Right now it's gonna come down to hit the 70 and then go up.
Yep, I think that's the concept. Oh, that's why you had that fib drawn on your WhatsApp picture that you shared.
No, the fib was from this.
Where was that? I didn't actually.
From here to here, something like that, and then I entered here.
That was pretty smart. Pretty cool.
But you see this from here to here. This is 50, right? And we've held for the longest. And then you can kind of say this is a head and shoulder type pattern, but I don't really care about that. But this is support that we've held for the longest time. What are the chances with news today that we get all these buyers, right? You have to think about that. What are the probabilities, right? It's all about probability. So the probability that we get all these buyers out today is high, right? Everybody that's buying here is gonna get clapped, and sellers, when they break, because they're breakout traders, they'll get clapped too because they'll be selling, and then this is what they're gonna buy.
Let's see.
AJ, kindly share your fib settings. Yes, Luke has them. You can show it to you.
Oh, wait.
Do the fib, the actual fib, from like the bottom to the high.
Okay. Makes photos if you make a photo and you got it now.
Whatever, you can stop the stream. Watch it.
From here to here, you mean?
From here to here.
Wait, what?
From the bottom to the high.
Oh yeah, that's what I meant. One turn around?
Nope, it's good. So you see, price went up, made a high, hit the 50, right? And now it's like consolidating in there, right? And hasn't even hit the 618, right? So chances that this comes down and then does that is high.
But at the end of the day, if you look from here to here,
this is 50.
Yes.
Exactly. Right. So this what always does, if this hits the 50, comes down, then goes back up, same concept. Okay. Same exact concept. This would hit the 70, right? And then come down. And this would come down, hit the 70, go up. It's the same concept. This, right? Then comes down, goes up, right? Then this comes down, and goes up, and then comes to the same time.
Okay.
So this push down, right? This push down, hit the 50, gave people profits. Now it's going to take everybody out, hit the 70, and then come down. Remember, I've said I'm selling here.
Yeah, I know that. I know that. Okay.
Just took a sell on 17.99. Good luck with that.
It's low. But works out. The whole time going up in general state. It's pushing about that daily resistance right now. Tapped away from this really strong support level. Rejecting. Bullish momentum is still pretty much there. On the weekly, it did make level. I just think that you need to either break this high or hit this high to be able to start going back up again. That's what I think. But it seems like it pretty much did the same move for here and here. So I wouldn't be surprised if we come back down 149.5. As you can see in the trend, yeah, the trend moves and changes. But there was one day in between. Overall, you can see the way price moved down here, came back up, came back, made a new lower low, came back, and it did the same here. Came back, 2 nice candles going down clean. Yeah. What we might see is that let me think. I think that even though we're going bullish right now, that we still have the potential to go down here. Looks the same.
Yeah, I've talked about this. As long as you can see every low, it gets broken, right?
Yep.
No high.
Highs are being
has gotten
respected.
broken, right?
There's no buys yet.
None. The only way that you want to have buys is you want to wait for structure to get broken. Once structure is broken, wait for it to retest, and then that's when you take your buy. But other than that, you know, this is shit stuff.
Think about the same thing. Yeah, maybe. I don't think there's a lot happening today, though. Well, after the news, inside the news, there's a lot gonna happen, but next to that, I don't think so. D30 is absolutely a whack. I mean, from this movement, it's just moved down. I wish I still had my sells right here. It was a pretty good sell right here. I sold pretty much a little higher.
I don't understand why it closed.
Huh?
I don't understand why it closed.
Because it was over the weekend.
What?
I took it on a Friday.
Took what on? I'm talking about today.
Oh, today? Oh, yeah, it is what it is. Next time I'll hold it. Next time I'll close 50%. I'll hold the rest down all the way down. Hey, AJ.
What's up?
At least it didn't take 10 pips.
Yeah, but you didn't do the same lot.
No, that's true.
If you did the lot that we talked about, you would have made your money that you lost the other day.
Oh yeah, of course, yeah, but it's okay.
There you go.
Yo, pairs. Use dollar news thing.
Where's Michelle? I haven't heard her voice today.
I'm here.
Oh, there you are. How are you, Michelle?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. What about you?
I've been here the whole time.
Let me guess, you're in buys.
No.
Your cells?
No.
You're nothing.
No, I took cells from the top and I got out and then I just kicked myself the whole way down.
Oh, I did the same thing. Don't worry about it.
I was in it from the very top with Guala.
Me too.
Same here.
You're all the same entry.
1806.
Yep. Don't worry about it.
It's all good.
Get it next time.
Me and Michelle got in a fight yesterday.
I'm just
What?
chilling now.
No, you. Let's just say you attacked me. I didn't fight.
Wait, what happened?
We got in a fight.
Why?
Just cause.
What just cause? Explain me why.
Just cause she
Oh.
did something that I don't approve of.
What do you do?
It worked.
But even though it worked, I don't approve of.
What do you do?
She knows.
Yeah, I want to know
I-
now too.
I bought the breakout.
Oh, nice.
I bought the breakout that I waited for 2 sessions. I waited for it.
Yeah, you bought the high.
I didn't just jump in and buy. I waited
you
for that
bought
for
the high.
2 sessions and I was asleep and I missed I didn't buy the high because it went higher.
You bought the high.
That's
I
delicate.
waited and I was asleep when the bottom hit. So Cody woke me up. And when I woke up, I was like, well, shit, you missed the bottom, but it's about to break up. And that's what we've been waiting for. So we took it.
Okay.
She bought over here, somewhere over here, I think. If I
I
don't,
took
if
it
I
for
remember.
40 pips.
Right here. She bought right here.
Wait, let me go to
I
the
don't
Zoom
know
and
where
make
it was.
sure.
Why didn't you buy
Make sure
somewhere
you-
here?
That's what I was saying.
Okay, hold on. Where are we? Where did I buy?
I don't know. If I recall, we're somewhere over here. You bought this,
No.
or I forgot what it was.
Yeah,
It was some
maybe-
shit like that.
Maybe
Or
that's it.
buying here, whatever the fuck it is.
I'm off of my time frames, so let me look at my chart because my times are different. So I'll tell you right when I bought Luke, it worked out beautifully. I was asleep
Yeah,
when the
it was
bottom
here.
hit.
Yeah, it was here. She bought this.
Hmm.
Yes, I did. That's what I bought.
Yeah, she missed this
You
But
missed
she
it.
bought
But
here.
why didn't you buy then here?
because
Because
she
I was
was asleep.
asleep.
Why didn't you
So
buy here?
she chased the market
I was
over
asleep.
here.
I
Chase the
woke
market.
up. I woke up right here, and Ray. Not that I'm blaming Ray, because I'm thankful for Ray. Ray and
fuck that.
Sasha were talking
Whoa, whoa,
about
whoa,
this
whoa,
going
whoa,
higher,
whoa.
and I bought it.
What?
Why are you
Wait.
saying whoa? What happened?
You bought. Wait, hold up. It's a delicate situation.
What are we talking? What's delicate?
I want to understand why you took it, but on the other side,
I had been in since.
wait, can you explain me one more time the situation? What happened?
All right, here's the situation. Are you ready?
It wasn't that serious.
Yeah.
It's not it was like a joke.
Yeah, we're not.
No,
we're
but
not
Like
making a big.
I'm low key like
Oh.
I was upset, but it wasn't like, oh, I hate you type of thing. Nah.
No, okay.
Yeah, no, I have been waiting for this to break up past all these levels to go to the high of the range, which we've been setting. And everybody was, the day before saying how we were going to go to 1814 and 18, whatever. We didn't. So it didn't make sense that we were going lower based on what's going on over here.
Okay.
And so I was waiting for this. I was asleep when this happened. And when I woke up right here,
Yeah.
I caught Ray and Sasha talking about how we were going to head higher. So I took it with knowing if it didn't play out, I would get out. And it played
I
out.
think there was a gap up there, 2 gaps, 1805.
Oh
and
yeah, there
1805.
definitely was some gaps up there.
And AJ, you called for Michelle, and when she appears, you started pulling her leg, and you started the same thing again.
That was the whole point.
I know what you were doing, and then Luke was like, "Okay, now you tell me." I was like, "Oh, Michelle's in trouble." AJ saves her.
The trade works out, but AJ didn't care.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because it could be the one time that it works out, and then that's the thing that it gives you that
But
false hope
That's
of
the
sensation.
thing. No. It was, what was the time of the day? What was happening right when it broke out? It was
I don't care what time. Even with
What
Asian
time was
well,
session.
it does matter. It was London Open. It was right at London Open. It had volume. The setup was there to go higher. I took it higher for 40 pips.
It wasn't London. It was New
Yes,
York.
it was.
It was the same time today, right now, 8 o'clock. It was
Yeah.
8 o'clock. Yeah.
Yeah, it was New York. It wasn't London. Because I was in the car going out, and it was like
well, I'm
London
going to
time.
tell you exactly. It was 7:15. It was 15 minutes past London Open. No, it was the 7 o'clock candle.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
right
that's
now.
that's
It was the 7 o'clock candle. It was London Open for me.
Yeah, for me that was in New York Open, I think.
And the whole time, Cody and I kept expecting it to break up, and I said it won't do it. It does not. Since Asia, I was like, it doesn't have enough volume. It's not going to go up. It needs more volume. So when that time hit, Cody woke me up right at 7 o'clock. He's like, Mom, I missed the low. I didn't buy in. I'm like, don't worry. It's cool. And then Ray's like, nope, we should go higher. And I was like, okay. She called to like 1807. I was like, all right, let's catch this and see what happens. I had, I think, no drawdown, and it went right up.
30 pips, yeah. And what time is it with you, Michelle, right now? It's 7, right?
Yes, it's 7:25 now. It's the same time as yesterday.
Yeah, but 7:25 is not London.
No.
No, it is for me. 7 o'clock is London for me.
How is 7
Yeah,
o'clock?
but 7 o'clock in London for you. It's for me. That's
New York.
That's New York
Right
Open.
now, it's
and then yeah.
8 o'clock is New York. I'm behind, an hour behind New York.
Yeah, for me 8 o'clock. That's gonna be in your
that's
time.
NYSE, New York Stock Exchange.
Yeah,
right?
that's gonna be Asian session for me.
Right. So for me, that was my London Open slot.
Yo, Luke, stop. You fucking asshole, dog.
I was just fucking around. Yeah, makes sense. I was just laughing.
But yeah, don't do it again.
I mean,
So I'm gonna take sells here.
Where?
No, because like realistically speaking, right? Like, okay, this, if you look at it on this time frame, right? Right here, this was a break of structure, right? Now you had to pull back. You should have been buying here. You missing this is okay, right? Even though it made 40 pips and was good, right? It was a good trade. Like, don't be this type of trader that wants to run after the market, right? Because like
That's the thing is I don't take those trades anymore. I just did it yesterday because the setup was there and the time and volume was there. That's it. Otherwise, I would have bought it at the bottom, but I was asleep. And I don't do those trades any other time of the day. Even Asia, if you look left, Asia hit that top, and Cody said something about going up, and I said it's not going to go up. You already missed the volume. The volume cannot push it past that.
We're not fighting, bro.
It was just the one anomaly where I was like, let's take it.
Michelle,
Okay.
the more you defend it, each
what-
time he's gonna pull your leg on that. Trust me.
Can I tell
Don't-
you? Look, I got out of the cells. I got out of the cells on this at the very top. Do you know how many times I would have normally been like, I'm gonna get back in the cells, but I won't because I didn't get it from the top. So I missed the cells. I'm out.
These ones, right? The current ones.
Yes, the ones we're on now, the ones everybody just rode down. I took them.
But
I
don't
think
tell
I got
anybody,
out for-
Michelle. I took buys.
You already
Now.
told us.
You took buys at the top? No, I'm talking
Nah.
at the top of today.
I know
did
you
you
missed
do?
that, yeah.
No, I got in it, but I got
any
out
other
early.
trade? Yeah,
Oh
did you take
my
any other
God.
trade today? Did like any setup?
Ray.
Where is Ray?
Ray?
She's in her buys as well.
Yo, sorry.
Great.
I've been moving around.
Wait, let me send you this. You're gonna be like, whoa.
Another apartment.
No? Maybe.
Yesterday, I got messages on Instagram. Is that Spain? I was like, I have no idea. I just like the view.
Look at this. Oh, shit. What's up?
Yeah, let me check.
Send in the group. I want to see too.
No, it's
Luke,
private.
I'm gonna kill you. I'm coming.
Whoa.
That's insane, isn't it?
Beautiful views. And you know
Looks
what,
like your-
Michelle?
Looks like
They
your
were looking
car,
at
Luke.
million dollar.
Which one?
How much is this one? You're
No,
looking
that's
at
not my
$1
car.
million houses.
Damn, you guys talking us only $1 million.
Yeah, we're planning for our retirement.
Yes.
That's sick, though.
Where's Guala? He was doing the same.
Yeah, Koala's with us.
Yeah.
Let me find some better things.
We're going to need a WhatsApp live stream soon. I don't know. I gotta ask Luke.
What?
Somebody's asking for a WhatsApp live stream.
What's
like a live
up?
stream WhatsApp.
What?
For the gulag. A WhatsApp for the gulag.
No.
That's
Yeah,
why we have
sure.
the Discord. A WhatsApp would be a tragedy with a lot of people.
People, no one get my phone number. Trust me.
And y'all can have my number. I don't give a fuck.
If I'm not getting the same house you're showing Ray, I'm publishing your number.
Send it
in
to
no
me.
time.
Send it to me. I'll tell you.
I'll blackmail him.
Send it. Send what she sent to me. I'll approve or not.
Is it better than my tent?
Yeah.
It is?
Yes.
Let me
He
see.
said yes.
Luke, if you don't give out your number, how are all the girls gonna call you?
They ain't calling me. Fuck that. I'm way too busy for that.
Gulag. What does gulag mean? Somebody's asking.
What's good? Oh, better don't search it. Don't
From
search it.
Halo.
Okay. From Halo? What?
From Halo or Call of Duty. Sorry.
Call of Duty. No, it's just a fun thing. Nothing serious. Don't worry about it.
Hey, look, Professor Pippage is here. Guys, the dedication. I appreciate it.
Who's here?
Professor Pippage.
How are you, man? Oh shit!
What happened?
No, I'm gonna send you this.
I need a cigarette.
No, AJ,
No.
don't do it.
Dude, we have people who are under 17 who are watching
Yes.
Oh, they're old enough to know not to smoke.
us. Don't smoke, guys. Don't try this at home. Everything you see
Don't
here.
try this at home.
Don't try this at home.
If Michelle,
It's like something
Michelle
hella
stops
dangerous.
Buying a high, I'll stop smoking.
Well, then you can stop smoking because I just did it one time. So you get one cigarette.
I'll get one cigarette today.
There you go.
Okay.
There we go.
So
Deal. Now you're done
Right.
smoking.
It's a little expensive, right? But I think it's doable.
Let me check.
Sasha,
How much does one pack of cigarettes cost in
12 euros. Sasha,
Yes, sir.
this one is very nice. One just.
That's insane.
Oh shit! Somebody posted the definition of gulag in the gulag.
Oh my god. Let's remove this for a moment.
Yeah, change from
Nothing
gulag to
here.
dungeon, he says.
Nah.
Lounge people dungeon. There you go, Ray.
It's the same, man. You know what happens in the dungeon?
Ah, that's in Marbella. Look.
Yes. So
Marbella
nice,
is
Sasha.
sick.
I'm about to
With the-
get stabbed. Whoa, I found even nicer. But that's pretty cheap, right?
Yeah, it is.
$1 million. Everybody can do that. By the time we want to retire, we're all millionaires.
Of course. 30, no, 25 around that.
25 million.
27. Oh, H. What do you mean?
25. Well, how much is the house? Or how much is the thing, the trading lounge, the trading place we're trying to get?
The trading place.
That Lena found.
Go on.
$25 a day, like 15
Let's get it.
euros a day or something.
What?
Let's just buy it. Let's just buy it.
Go,
Bro,
Luke. All right.
$15 a day.
that?
I would
Oh, we
Where?
ain't paying on
Where is that?
Yeah, we buy
It's
that
like an
shit.
Airbnb place that she found. She knows like the people that own it, and they have like, I don't know, they're like all these little apartments together or something. She wants to start a trading compound.
Let's do it. We have no. I was already
I'm
thinking
so
about
down,
that, doing that
honestly.
in like south of France, buying like an old barn and making like a whole lounge for all of us.
I'm down, but not anywhere in Europe.
You can just
Okay.
have a garage where you trade from.
In Dubai,
Park
let's
the
do it in
car
Dubai.
and then boom, trade from there.
What do you think, Ray?
Haven't you seen
We
it?
should
That,
open
like,
one up in Dubai.
yeah, why not? I have
So
a perfect,
legit, Sammy was
perfect
saying
spot
the
for
other
it.
day that he was like, I could see like little trading lounges like popping up all over.
Oh, there
Yeah.
already are.
Y'all have them there. Well, we don't hear. It's the middle of the night. That's what I told him. I'm like, Sammy, who's gonna go at 3 a.m. to go to a lounge to go trade?
No,
Like,
trust me,
crazy
Michelle.
I
enough,
would.
we're sitting up all night in our
I
house.
would.
Let's do this. This is a concept. Let's do this, man.
No, there is a concept like that. It's already there. I've
Yeah,
seen
but
it before.
it's not big enough.
Where no, they have like a bunch of computers, right? And then just
Log
people
into
come
your
in.
account, and then your account is
Yeah,
gone.
they come in and then just.
That's like, it's like internet cafes when we were younger. Do you,
Yes, but
do
who
you-
is to log in their stuff, their personal stuff
Fine, do
onto their
that. You're
account
mad.
on a cafe computer?
I'll come with
No,
my
no,
own.
just get your own
AJ,
laptop.
I'm going to
Yeah,
deposit
laptop with a screen.
$50,000 into my account and follow you for 1 year. I want to build primary school. We can do it.
What?
Somebody in the gulag.
Yeah.
He's putting $50,000 in his account, and he wants to follow me for a year. Let's see.
Do it. Do it.
Shit, that shit should be $1 million by the end of the year.
Do it then.
There's always.
Or you could get a
there's-
50K to me. I'll have 5 primary schools by the end of the year for you, buddy. But we're doing a 60% for me, 40 for you, okay?
You're the one doing the work.
I'm doing all the work.
Open up a prop trading firm. You know.
Got you,
No,
bro.
man, no, you
Get
mad.
people
Trust.
funded.
We could go to the lawyers and get the paperwork set up, so I can't rob.
Who said we should all go in and make our own brokerage?
I'm
Fuck
so
no.
fucking down.
I
No.
wanna create
I'm so down.
a bank.
I told you I got 25 on it. Man.
Maybe it was Mitch. I think it was Mitch that was like, "Let's all go in." I'm like, "All right, Mitch."
Let's
If
just
Mitch
make
is
an
in, I'm
international
in.
bank.
I don't got
Nah, but-
international bank kind of money, but I got fucking what it costs. I got 25 on the fucking brokerage.
How much does the brokerage cost to make? We make
More
the
than-
trading live lounge brokerage.
More than that, boy.
More than 25? I know. I only got 25 on it. That's why I was pitched it to you guys.
You need more than all of us pitching 25. Boy.
And we, but then we need a post address at Cyprus.
You need a whole bunch of shit for a brokerage. That motherfucker's tripping.
Not over here.
I ain't that rich yet. Damn.
We got AJ and Guala. I mean, and
What
Mitch.
you mean, Guala?
We got AJ and Mitch.
What
They
you
got
mean,
connections.
He's like, don't say my name.
AJ and Mitch
I'm
know
broke.
people. They can make it happen.
I'm broke as
Oh, I can
hell.
make it happen for sure.
How can you be broke, Guala? You're the
Let's
bank.
do
I'm broke as hell, man. I wear fucking Vans.
What's wrong with Vans?
Yeah.
Why are you
What?
hating on Vans?
I
Nah,
thought
I'm
you
just
were on the
saying.
Balenciaga.
I don't even know what that is.
Who's wearing the Balenciagas?
Guala. I thought he was in the Balenciaga.
the sock shoes.
Fuck that.
Oh shit.
AJ, you don't know what Vans are?
I was never one to wear designer. I think this shit's stupid.
Yeah, man, same thing. Stupid.
If
I
you have
mean-
millions, then then
Still,
nothing's
still,
stupid.
like, don't get me wrong. I have like designer clothes, but
Don't hate, man.
Guala, the
Like-
chat says people who
Grace,
wear
like, I have
Vans
my
are rich.
entire closet with with Panda clothing. What are you hating on?
No. Honestly, designer stuff lasts longer, right? It's an investment.
100%. You know what the thing is though? What I have, I don't regularly buy clothing. I don't. But there's a but. I do buy cheap pants because pants fuck that. But jackets and stuff, jackets and
Shoes.
and sometimes shoes, yeah. Most of the time, if I buy cheap shoes, I need to
It's not
buy
gonna
4 of
last.
them in 1 year.
Exactly.
If I buy expensive shoes,
There we go.
they last for the same
Yeah.
price in that entire year.
Yeah, but
Especially-
you have a watch.
What? You have a watch?
Do you have a watch? No, like I feel just me personally, I feel like every man should have one like a good ass watch. At least
No.
one.
They should have at least like one for every day of the week. That's my opinion on the watch.
Yeah, because an Apple Watch would do if you have an Apple Watch. or
No.
something.
I'm talking like a physical, like
I have a
Yeah,
watch.
same here.
I have a watch.
dial hand or
I don't have a watch. I got a gold bracelet. Fat one.
I thought you were the G-Shock guys, man.
Fuck no. I don't wear
Michelle
watches.
With the
chat
lights,
said-
with the lights, Guala.
What
Okay.
I like one watch. I like that one a lot because it's so underrated.
Which one is
You
it?
gotta get an AP.
Oh man,
Yeah, those
It's-
are.
underrated.
They're sick though.
It's the sister brand of Rolex, Tudor,
Two door. Yeah, I
Black
know.
Bay. I just find it very nice,
Very nice.
very nice, and I think it's underrated.
And Rolexes are investments anyway. Their value goes
Yeah,
up.
it is
With
a
time.
Rolex.
Mm.
You know,
I only buy gold.
I find.
What about a quartz watch?
No, man. No. No. That's a no-go. That's not an investment. Quartz watches. They don't money. Look at Tag. Most of Tag's watches are quartz watches. They smack trash. Yeah, but
No, but like in Europe, if it's in winter, if you get like these cheap jackets, then you need to change them quite often.
yes.
Love switching the bands
That's
now.
why I'd rather go to a store and get one good jacket that I can use for 3 years. You know, as an example.
Exactly.
Yeah, but you need a watch. You need a good watch. Yeah.
I have
Or
an
you
okay
could just
watch.
use your phone.
You want me to grab? You want me to grab it? I'll grab it. 1 moment. I'll grab my watch. It's not that crazy.
Guys,
What is it, a
we
Rolex?
buy another
I
watch.
know.
Listen,
Far
guys, what's the point of having a watch if your phone gives you the time? That's it.
Nah, it's not even that. It's not
Now,
even
what
that.
is it? Are you making
That's
a
a lot of
statement?
money.
Like
Let me grab
Yeah.
it. Let me grab it.
It's how it looks. I feel like it distinguished.
It's right here.
That's a nice watch. What brand is it?
Look at London. Oh god, I'm sorry everyone. There's 300 plus people. Oh shit. It is what it is. D30 ain't doing shit as well.
You're in timeout. Go over there.
They don't got big
AJ,
enough
how many
for
watches
me.
do you own?
He probably has a lot. I've seen a couple of yours.
I'm curious how many watches. Watches seem to be the thing for
Okay,
men.
let's take a guess. He's not here. I think 20.
20?
Yeah, that's normal.
20 what?
That what?
How many watches do you have?
Me?
Yes.
I got like Mitch says, one for every day.
Around 7.
Yeah, that should be fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, 20 is a little much.
No, there's
But I
so
have,
many.
but
people
you
with
guys saw the one that I have, right? The one that
Yeah, I
the
saw
favorite
that.
one?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
What do you value more, your watches or your sunglasses?
Ooh, that's a good question.
Watches.
You know what's
What
funny about
brand
those
of sunglasses do you wear?
You know what's funny about those sunglasses? All the sunglasses, all the expensive sunglasses, they have like the entire plant that's making those sunglasses. They can't roll up on all those sunglasses, so only 20% of them get sold in the real stores with the brands itself, and 80% just goes to the fakies.
Have you
Yeah,
seen
you
the?
see what I
have you
don't like
seen
about
the?
sunglasses is that you can lose them.
Yeah,
Very easy to lose.
very easy. Yeah,
Very
easy.
easy.
I forget everything. Well, don't forget everything, but sometimes I'll just lay something down somewhere and I just forget it, and then it's gone.
Have
Yeah,
you seen
that's
the?
thing, right? My sunglasses got prescription lenses in them, so I'll never leave them just laying around, right? Because I'm wearing them, I can't see if I take them off, right?
Yeah, I can see pretty well with my glasses off, but I don't
I'm like,
really prefer.
Have you seen the?
Yeah, but
Bose-
sunglasses you can lose them. Like
Yeah,
you can like
easy.
go to a cashier and like put your sunglasses down and then you forget about it. Whereas a watch, it's on your fucking wrist. Like
Yeah, if you lose that,
you're not gonna lose
I don't know
that
what you're
shit.
gonna do. Yeah.
lose the luster hand,
Best
too.
watch, hands down, is the Fitbit. Gives you the heart rate. It gives you the steps. It gives you everything.
What watch do you have, Ray?
I have a Fitbit, and I'm happy with
Ray
it.
is a liar. I'm telling you.
Ray,
Rad's a
I
liar.
believe
She has
you.
she
No,
no.
Ray, that's legit.
I don't believe that. Ray, what watch do you have?
Just the Fitbit.
Ray, I'm telling you, she's Arab. She has a fucking watch.
It does
No, I
no.
don't.
She wears a Fitbit. She's not flashy.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah, I'm
okay.
happy with the
That's bullshit.
Fitbit.
Ain't she lives in Dubai? Come on. Just get the fuck out of here.
What most people wear? Most people wear fake Rolexes here. What are you talking about, AJ?
Oh yeah, that's very true. And fake purses.
There you go. So why do I? I'm not gonna announce anything. I don't know.
Nice.
No. But Fitbit is the hands down. Like no matter who tries to convince me an AP is better or whatnot, Fitbit, you get the steps, you get the heart rate, you get the messages as well on your phone. Like if you want to ignore your phone, you already know who's texting you, bro. Before.
But
It's awesome.
you have an iPhone or Samsung.
iPhone.
Why don't you have an Apple Watch then?
Yeah, for real.
I didn't like the. I think the Fitbit is more accurate though than the
Okay.
Apple.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, like
But you can't answer your phone with your Fitbit. Well, you can answer it, you just can't talk on it like you can an Apple Watch.
Yeah, I wouldn't talk on Apple Watch either.
I wear a Fitbit.
It's awesome, right?
Yeah.
Really, it's
I
perfect.
don't have a smartwatch. I'm not that smart.
And
I
the
know a
Bose-
lot of people who have a lot of money who wear a Fitbit
I
or
don't-
an Apple Watch. They don't have to be flashy. They don't care. Like
Yeah.
when you got
It
stuff,
depends
you
on where
don't
you
have
live.
to show it. You can just do you.
I've
See, in the US,
What?
I'm just gonna show you like the different types of styles of, cultures or whatever. In the US, you could be the richest person in the world and wear khakis and flip-flops and a tank top or whatever the fuck it is, and you'd be like, it's
Same
cool,
thing here.
right? Here it's not like
Proverb
that.
vest.
And Ray, you can say the same. You can back me up on this. It's all about
I'm
appearance.
gonna laugh so hard if she says no. But
Yeah,
go
no,
ahead.
she knows. If she says otherwise, then I don't know.
No,
Right.
I'm not saying otherwise, but I'm saying it depends because I've seen both, like two types of people here. Like people who are like old school, who like are already fortunate and whatnot, and they don't care whatever they wear. They're like always in like street clothings or whatever, and they don't care. And other people who
Like that.
try too hard.
They don't have it, but they try to look like they have it.
Yeah. So it's very subjective because some people don't have it, but because of social pressure, they try to show that they have a lot. Like even if they're on loans or whatnot, but other people are like the ones who are really wealthy. They don't show much. Honestly, I'm talking generations. I'm not talking just second generation or I'm talking 3 or at least 3 generations.
Yeah.
I'm not sure
Yeah.
if you
It's
met
just
them.
it all comes
AJ.
down to it all. I think it comes down to your own
Personality.
personal confidence. If you're confident, you don't need. But if you're trying to get approval, then you put it out there.
Yeah,
You're
but
trying
or,
to get people
or
to
like
recognize
or like
you.
you're like a full-on watch guy that's really interested in his own watches and just
No, that's
Yeah, but-
doesn't
different.
show off. But you
But
know, when I see
ideally-
someone, to be honest, when I see someone where I live with a Gucci hat, a Gucci shirt, these squared trousers, Philippine shoes or whatever the fuck they're wearing.
I laugh at them.
Yeah, that's just they. You already know. You already know.
What's
It's
minimum? Put
they're-
it this
they're
way. What's
unconfident.
minimum wage?
They're
here?
unconfident.
Luke, what's minimum wage?
Minimum
here?
wage 1.8k
Month.
month.
Now a
Around
Gucci
that.
shirt costs like what, 300?
Yeah, around that.
Balenciaga's
Fucking
cost about 800.
stupid.
There goes your month. There goes your monthly loan. And
Stupid.
those people, man, I'll be just telling them like, man, you got a Gucci bag, but ain't no money in it. What you got it for?
For real. It's
I
even lower.
swear it's like that.
1,635 is the minimum wage in the Netherlands.
So people are
Belgium is pretty much the same.
To be fair to AJ,
Lower. Belgium is
like-
lower.
to be fair to AJ, the social pressure, like in a certain community, could get out of hand sometimes. And if you don't have a strong character and like you know what you're worth and where you come from, then
Exactly.
a lot of people give into it, even if it means for them to get into loans to travel in summer or whatnot. But like,
They get
Oh, yeah,
that
for
like
sure.
that.
Yeah.
crazy.
Damn, they're
crazy.
fucked up in the head. That's just stupid.
Yeah.
It is.
Then you
It is.
better
AJ,
off
I could
moving
totally,
somewhere.
I could totally get like in your culture, it's all about status and stature, and
Cars
I
as
feel
well.
like
Cars
the
is a big
pressure's
thing.
probably on men a whole lot to overachieve. I could be wrong, but
I'm pretty excited about this. I can't wait till it comes.
It depends. I think it depends. Like I know like people who are super wealthy, like I'm talking about, and they're very low key, like really low key. And other people who have nothing and they're like all flashy and
Yeah,
in your
flashy
face
and
and
Yeah,
you're like,
especially in Dubai, you got people that don't have shit and they're driving a G-Wagon.
yeah, and like a lot of people are like new money and they don't even, they pay in cash, ... You know what it means, and everything. Like
They
you
don't.
see a lot of weird.
They don't know what it
like-
means.
They don't? I think they know in Europe or in the States.
What?
If someone
Paying
pays
cash.
paying in cash all the time, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah,
You got
yeah.
black money. You know the
Yeah,
thing.
exactly.
I'm paying cash
All the time?
Hey, gosh.
a lot of
Kick him
times.
out, Luke. Kick
I
him
have
out.
cash.
Yeah,
But I
I
don't-
pay a lot in cash, honestly.
Yeah, Mr.
Oh, my
Guala,
cash
he has
thing.
a sock under his bed. And the government don't
No,
know about it.
I'm not talking about going out to the groceries and paying in cash. I'm talking about buying real estate in cash and stuff like that.
Oh no.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
why
don't do
not?
that.
Cash is king.
No, that's insane.
Cash is king.
Really?
You come in with $1 million cash and tell somebody here's cash right here, I'll buy your shit.
Yeah, cash, but
Right in front of them.
through bank transfer.
When I
Everything.
bought my apartment, I wrote a check.
Yeah, check is fine.
Felt
Yeah,
like a
check is.
boss.
No, I mean
motherfucker.
physical. I mean
Take my
physical.
money. I felt like a boss for like 10 seconds. Then I opened up my bank account again. I was like, damn, I'm broke right now.
No, but
got
I
equity.
understand. Like you
But I
mean
got
like
equity.
like the flaps, the cash itself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean like yeah,
I mean,
like Escobar stuff.
you know the thing.
It's my cousin.
Why did you change your name? I thought you had a Latino name the other day, but I don't want to say it out loud because it's bad.
But technically, Guala got a
Type it to me, man.
Guala
That's
got
really-
a derogatory name technically. Guala and here, right? That's like a.
No, don't say it out loud, Mitch.
What is it? Do it.
What, my real name?
Not your real name, your handle yesterday. You changed it back today.
Oh. That was my real name.
You were
Why
talking
the fuck
to.
you lying?
I don't understand. I'm not
And
getting
you
it. I'm
know-
lost.
And you know what's funny? You had that as a handle, and we were talking to Jesus. So like the irony.
I'm lost, bro. I'm really lost. I don't get it.
Stop playing with us. Stop playing with us.
Oh, I swear. All right, Mitch.
This is tactic.
Mitch, throw it all out. I'm lost.
No,
throw it out. Throw it out,
don't.
bro. I'm really lost, and Ray don't think I'm lost, but I'm lost.
I'll type it in for you.
Okay, yeah, it's pointless. You type it in Zoom.
Okay, I will.
Or Instagram.
Don't say it out loud.
Yeah, what's up with that?
Papi. No, I changed his name. That's what I did.
Oh.
I don't get.
I changed. Oh my god.
He didn't realize? He didn't realize?
He didn't realize it. No, I changed his name on
What
Zoom.
do you mean?
To Chupapi. 2 days ago, I changed his name to Chupapi on Zoom.
I swear I didn't even know, bro. Oh God.
He's like, I don't know what you're talking about, Ray.
I didn't say shit. I was like, maybe somebody be noticing it. I was like,
no, because you know why? Because yesterday when someone called him out and he went with the flow. And when he went with the flow, I thought, yeah, and he swore in Spanish. He swore in Spanish, and I was like, dude.
No, I changed his name. I changed his name to Chupapi.
That's not my name.
He went with the worst like. Oh my god.
Yo, Ray.
Yeah.
But look at what's that. Look at thing.
Everyone full margin buy gold now. Don't do it.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Everybody gonna be lost.
You're hit, boy. You're hit.
What do you think?
That's awesome.
That's pretty cool, right? Look, the inside is trash.
The view, though.
Yes. That's everlasting.
Well, what's this website though?
No idea.
These draw rockets are moving up. That's not moving up today.
They just wanted to buy.
We're gonna draw a rocket and explode it, and it's coming down.
I draw a rocket upside down.
Like, oh my days! Look at this one then. Oh, you're not ready. The rest is ugly. You just, the only thing you have to do is you need to get like a huge thing to ram this entire thing down. But like, oh my days! Wait, I'm gonna show you. Oh, it's ugly photo though. But this is, damn.
Like I'm about to go to bed, bro.
Did you not go to sleep?
Nah, bro. I'm tired as fuck. Yeah.
Huh?
I stayed up on charts, monitoring myself.
Yo, Sasha.
What time is it with Sasha?
I don't know.
It's Australia time.
Look, I never hung out. Everyone wants to hang out. What do you say?
Where Sasha's, it's the same time here. It's 8:56 p.m. right? AM 6 p.m.
10:56.
Okay, I found the best one.
It's just AM to PM.
Sasha, this one is very, very nice. I found
There you go.
the best one. I found the best one yet. Oh my days. Oh my days. Okay. Look at the second photo.
Look, where are you sharing this?
Nowhere.
Exactly my point. I'm gonna kill you for this. And he's pulling my leg on that. And look at his smiles.
Look at that. How insane is that? Go to the second. How insane is that?
With the gym. We have a trading setup.
When are we meeting up?
Yeah. When you want? December or beginning next year?
I'm down.
Yeah, I'm down too.
Let's do it. I'll throw an event.
I'm down.
You
Where
got
we
some-
go?
you got
Somewhere
other
warm though, right?
here.
We're leaving in December. It's got to
One
be
moment, I'll
somewhere.
be back. One moment. One moment.
Gotta be somewhere
Ray,
warmer.
you got to worry about other stuff, Ray.
Oh yeah, I know. Please don't publicize stuff. Please, I'm begging you.
Wow, what's going on?
مشاكل يا شيخ.
يا شيخ. شكله يغار.
انت عارف كيف. It's a mirror image يعني.
انت حار يا زبي.
What the hell, dude? What the fuck?
No. That's bad language over there. I'm not promoting it.
No, he said intihara. That was like, okay, that's fine.
لا كمل الجملة.
What the fuck?
Zub.
Yeah, so
I know Arabic too a little bit, homie.
No, not that Arabic, man.
No, Ray, you're gonna come too.
yo, Ray, it wasn't me. I swear to God. It was
What
not
happened?
me.
What happened?
Ray,
Yeah.
What happened?
I swear to God, it wasn't me. I didn't
No,
publicize
it's okay.
nothing.
What happened?
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Somebody in the gulag
What?
said what you were doing.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
What?
I'm not watching YouTube.
Oh,
I'm
okay,
not
good.
on YouTube.
Yeah,
happened?
because they
Oh,
publicized
now
it.
I know too.
What happened?
I don't know.
Yeah, but well, you say, well, no, I know too. Now you say, oh, no, what the fuck?
Yeah, because
Just look
Ray
at the
wants to keep
gulag.
it a
Just look
secret,
at the
so
gulag.
I'm keeping it a secret, but I know.
Look
I
it
know,
up.
I know,
Yes,
I know.
I know too.
What?
Look at the gulag,
I know.
bro.
Wait, 1 second.
Ray's
Ooh.
offline at the moment.
Ray.
Right, Ray.
What did I
You
see?
are.
Ooh.
Isn't somebody else getting married too? Doctor somebody?
No.
No,
Yeah.
we don't know it. Mr.
I'm getting
AJ,
married.
he's gonna
I've been
be
married.
Mr. AJ. He's gonna get a new one.
Yo, lower the volume, dog. Hold up.
Oh shit! But Ray,
Not in public, Luke. Not a public conversation.
It's already public. What do you mean?
Ray,
No,
you're
no,
coming
no.
too.
No details. Zero.
you're coming.
Zilch.
Ray, you're coming.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Okay.
I'm waiting for my
He's
visa.
coming with somebody though.
No, not yet. We haven't decided yet.
It might not happen, huh?
No. We're based in different countries. That's why. So
Really?
yeah.
Oh damn.
Yo, we should all meet up and then, yeah, for that.
Yeah, we are invited, fam. What do you mean?
Yeah.
Yo, that's a dope ass idea, man. That's just sweet.
That's sick. That's
I'm gonna throw Bitcoin.
The actual coins.
I don't know if it's like that with you guys, but my Turkish friends, I've been to a Turkish wedding before. When they get married, they dance in the middle, and then everyone's throwing cash. But I'll be throwing Bitcoin.
I have a friend.
Yeah, we do that
I have a friend of mine. She has her dad has like one of those marriage rooms, right, where you can get married in.
Oh, like a sala. Okay,
Yeah. Pretty cool. Oh shit. Yeah, I've been there a couple times.
I'll throw some gold. Goal's gonna throw some Bitcoin. Luke's gonna throw some GJ.
Throw my
Let's just
laptop.
throw some EU.
Throw my computer.
Someone's gonna throw
I'll throw
popcorn.
my trading account.
And where's the floor at?
Pull up in a rented X8. Yeah.
I'll throw a Rolex. Upgrade. We do, man.
We don't. It's not gonna be in Dubai, bro.
Bring a rock. Where is it gonna be?
Somewhere in this planet.
No. WhatsApp me, Ray.
Yeah, what's that? Me too.
No.
You guys are. Let's focus on gold.
Yeah, gold's not doing shit.
Nah. This is better conversation.
Right.
Guys, private life should be private, no?
Yeah, this is private to me. You know the thing. I ain't saying anything.
to everybody in the Zoom.
No, that's too much.
Okay, fine.
Oh, yes. Where are you?
I'm here.
Oh. Yeah, there you are.
Ooh.
1800 for NYC fireworks. I don't know. Maybe.
Niggas act like Alaminos.
I have my stops at break even already, so for the sell, so I have runners running. They got 100 pips. My runner is running 60 something pips right now.
1803.73. That's right there. Gonna take profit at. Get it. You ball it. Fuck no, never. That's too high. If I buy, I'll buy down there. I'm not in buys. I'm still in sales.
Look, bring the rocket.
Fuck no. That shit's crashing, boy.
Yeah,
I
that's
don't
what
want the
I'm gonna
rocket today. You gotta get the rocket coming back down to Earth.
This thing. Oh shit. Ooh, delicate. Let me build a rocket.
Wonder how this 4 hours gonna close. Oh, it already closed. Shit.
Wait, I don't understand. Luke, what's the name of this song? Let me search it for you, fam. It's called Tea Time by Offshane. Luke bringing the rocket to the wedding. No. There's no wedding.
Who's getting married?
Me.
I'm already married.
Are you already married? Are you mad?
Yeah, bro, I'm married. What's wrong with that?
Yeah, I'm waiting for a long time. It needs to... What Michelle said.
I'm just kidding. I'm not married. Fuck that. I don't believe in that shit.
If I'm getting married, it's not gonna go through the government.
Yeah, yeah, my girl gonna get a ring. That's about it. We ain't signing no papers. You ain't owning none of half of my property. Nothing. Fuck out of here. She gonna sign and file a divorce 2 months later. Claim half of your property and make you pay child support.
Until you leave with it, right? So you established all that before the marriage.
Yeah, most of them establish you don't have to pay. Everything inside the marriage you have to pay. So you're Gucci, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would still look out.
I'm not getting married. Fuck that. Unless you pay me a couple mil, I'll probably think about it.
I'm off, guys, to the gym.
Yeah, Ray, where you going?
Private things.
Private things.
She gotta fit in some clothing, you know.
Hey, don't go there, man.
Damn, Ray. God damn.
Okay, now I know exactly who to invite and who not to invite. Thank you, guys.
Me! I'm invited, right, fam?
No, I'm kidding. It's nothing soon. Come on, guys. I'm still young.
How soon are you talking about? Like next year, 2 years from now? Like what?
I don't know, man. What with COVID and stuff, nothing's clear yet.
Yeah,
and
she's talking about she's moving to a different country.
Yeah.
But it's pretty. Yeah.
It's a tough decision to make. Delicate situation.
You think so?
Yeah, it's very like everyone is in different countries at the moment. So like my parents are somewhere, I'm somewhere. Blah 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 and blah blah blah.
I'm somewhere. Damn, Damn.
I wouldn't even do it. Fuck that.
Yeah, dude. Yo, you know, one of my friends, he did a wedding
Tripping.
on Zoom.
Yeah,
What?
see, fuck that. That's
He did
next level.
he did his wedding via Zoom.
But how people going to throw gold then? Your bank account.
No,
Here's
no,
my
there's
PayPal.
something standing there with the computer in front of him, and he just like everybody comes in, says what's up, you know, they congratulate him, and then that's it.
I announce you Zoom and Zoomer.
Oh my God. And then we have a baby, Zoomy.
Damn, that's not fun.
Nah, but that guy was smart as hell.
Yeah, I know he is because he didn't have to throw things, you know.
That was a discount. What kind of bride would accept a discounted wedding like that? No.
How much
What you mean?
How much do you want your wedding
Do you
to be, Ray?
understand? You understand how like the statistics here in Saudi that the percentage of people that got married during COVID time was
Yeah,
like
it's cheaper.
50% higher.
It is cheaper, no?
Because you don't have to pay for nothing.
Yeah, I
Nothing.
know. And I know
You
a lot of
understand
people
how much
just
money
went.
you have to pay
I know a
You're
lot of
supposed to
people.
get married as guys. Man, we pay for everything. Everything.
It depends. We're in 2021 now. So.
Nah, bro. My wife's family was like old mentality where you want to get married, you got to pay for everything. So I paid for the guy's wedding, I paid for the girl's wedding, I paid for her for her dowry, I paid for everything.
Yeah, but how much was her dowry?
Don't worry about it.
Go no,
There
just
you
say
go.
it now. No, don't say it now. Come on, man.
Nah, man, it's a lot. It's not something cheap. Like
Okay,
it's not like $10. You know, it's not 10K.
No,
You know.
Okay, let me take a guess. Okay, 155.
Nah, there's no guessing, bro. You're not even gonna think about it.
Okay,
That's not even something in your mind.
450,000.
What?
What?
AJ spit it out so I can. AJ spit it out so I can
450,000.
demand.
She's gonna be like, he's not giving me that much.
No, I'm kidding. I'm gonna have it for cheap. I'm free. Like it's not.
I'm
it's
free?
Not,
What?
Yeah, it's not.
Yeah,
it's
right.
not
Once
like,
you put on that ring, I'm locked up. You ain't getting out.
No,
you ain't
but like
getting out.
no, because it's not fair breaking someone's back over marriage. That's just the beginning of your life. It shouldn't feel like
Bro,
the
there's
end
people
of
here
your
that
life.
take out loans to get married.
No, that's stupid. If he takes a loan
that's just
to
dumb
get
as
married,
hell.
I'll be like, spend it on your car or your home or something.
Man. I remember
No,
I was
it's not
telling
worth
my-
it. It's
I was
not
telling
worth
my
it.
wife, I was like, yo, let's take this money, right? And travel. Like we could have like instead of having like a 2-week honeymoon, we could have like fucking 3 months honeymoon, you know? She's like, nah, this is I need my friends to come to this. No.
AJ.
She was not having.
AJ, if you do it again, and since you have to be equal, do you pay the same dowry for the second
No,
one?
fuck that. No.
Nobody's gonna know what he paid.
But if he gets a divorce, he has.
So
She
you're
has to
not being
return it.
equal then.
She has to return that shit back.
Yeah. See, what's the point of it?
It's just like
What you mean?
it's a
Nah,
down
it
payment.
depends.
It's
It
a down
depends.
payment. It's a down payment.
If I divorce her,
Installments.
it depends.
Installments.
If I divorce her, she doesn't have to give it back. But if she asks for the divorce and she wants it, then she has to give it back to me.
Yeah, man,
Then she
this
will
is
never
too
divorce
much.
you.
Life is expensive as it is. It shouldn't be another burden to get married or whatever. Like,
Bro, it was a burden. That shit fucking broke my back.
Yeah, exactly. What's like? I don't
What
like
did
it.
you do then? Like,
Bro, do you understand? I had a wedding in Saudi. I had a wedding in Dubai. And then we had...
yeah,
and
but
on
why the
top
fuck
of the
did
wedding
you do a
in
wedding
Dubai-
if you were gonna be fucked up after?
Because you have to do it. It's like something you just have to do.
No, it depends on the bride.
It depends on the girl. Exactly. The girl that I
Yeah.
took, she had to do it.
Fuck
Okay.
that.
You go fuck that.
And it wasn't even her. Like, and sometimes it's even the family, right? Sometimes even the girl would be okay with not having like a big dowry or a big wedding, but the family insists on it, like her mom and dad.
Okay.
Right? They're like, no, you're not gonna take our daughter for you know,
For free.
do this. Yeah, pretty much.
But that's you guys' religion is like really strict on
It's not
this.
religion.
No, it's not religion,
It's
by
not
the way.
religion. It's
Well,
not religion.
a lot of Muslim friends I have, that's based on religion and the
No,
pride and the
religion.
respect
You're supposed to pay a dowry.
for.
You're supposed to pay a dowry. right?
Yeah,
Just-
but
just-
like the amount is
but you-
not specified.
But like the prophet paid $1, like like for that, like even if you pay $1 just as a dowry, that's fine, right?
But your
It's not-
parents, is that true that your parents can choose who you marry?
Mm-hmm.
You have
For some
Fuck
people.
that. I'll run away from home, man. Fuck that.
Do you have that?
Some
What is
people, yeah.
that?
I'll
You
run
choose who
away.
you marry?
No, like you're arranged, AJ, arranged.
Oh,
marriages.
arranged marriage? Yeah, there are arranged marriages. I'm not arranged.
You don't have that, right?
No, there's
some
still the-
people. Some people. Some people have
Oh
it.
man, I remember the first time I was 26 or 25, and I was like, you know what? Like I just graduated from bachelor's, and I was like, fuck this, I need to get married. And I was like, yo, ma, like, and back then I was like purely like school, right? So I had no friends. I had my friends, but I mean, like, I didn't have time to meet new people. So I was telling my mom, I was like, yo, ma, I need to get married. And then, yeah, she found me somebody that was just like, yo, ma, like, like, I'm gonna say no. Like, I'm gonna say no to her. So why the hell did you bring her to me?
The disrespect.
I was like, ma, you know what I like.
Oh shit.
No, this stuff should be illegal, to be honest, because some people put their kids in a really bad situation.
Yeah, because if you don't like that person,
Yeah,
No, but I got-
one
but I found a
of my
perfect excuse,
girlfriends. She's a girl, but she's my friend. Not like dating or anything.
Thanks,
yeah,
Pedro.
Koala.
Bro,
There's
no.
no such thing as
Let's-
Just
let's
call it
be-
your side chick.
Bro, she's Turkish and she's married to someone she didn't want to marry because of her parents. So
Yeah,
Yeah, but then who's the victims in this? The children afterwards.
yeah, of course.
oh yeah, exactly.
That's the worst. I feel sad for those people. Man.
It's a business arrangement.
all business.
Some people get married for deals, like if it works well for their parents.
Yep,
that they
exactly.
decide to- Yeah, so it's
Yeah.
weird.
Damn. God damn.
And it also happens in London as well, like these
Fuck, damn, I
aristocrat
thought
families
about
and
getting
whatnot.
married.
Dude, like my father, for example, when he was when I was trying to get married,
He was
just
mad,
like,
right?
yeah, he was like, "Why are you getting married to this family? Like you should be marrying somebody that can help you out. Like there should be like you're supposed to be able to get something in return." I was like, "Yeah, but I like the girl."
L-O-V-E-E and affection.
Yeah, you gotta go.
I need this.
You gotta go.
That was beautiful.
Well,
God damn. Yeah, man, I don't know. I like
But
marriage.
there's a lot
it's-
of people that say that arranged marriages, like they last longer because you learn to love the person.
Yeah,
No.
I don't know about that. I will be getting in big fights.
No, that's stupid, to be honest. Arranged marriages are like, I don't know.
انت يا اخي روح تتكلم.
لا والله, because no, because think about it. You're marrying a complete stranger and forcing.
No, but you
person-
get
But
to
you
know
don't
them before
know-
you get married, right? You get to
Not
you get
all.
engaged and you talk.
By the
to
way,
them
not
and this
all.
and that.
Not everyone. No, some people
Bro,
don't.
you
know.
want to see?
You come in there, it's like, oh.
you want to hear something that's crazy?
But-
That's crazy, right? One of my friends got married, right? He did not even see how his wife looked like.
Oh no!
Oh,
Oh,
hell
hell no!
you could
And
be,
then-
you
oh,
could be
damn,
married to a motherfucking whale or
He
something.
didn't know how she looked like.
Oh
until they got
man,
married.
that's a dangerous situation.
Exactly.
That's a dangerous one.
I was like, what the? Yo, he was telling me, I was like, dude, what if she's not attractive? He was like, nah, but she has a sexy voice. I was like, fuck that. Like, no.
yeah.
And the girl was
So
like,
was
"Oh
she-
damn, she actually has
was she-
cake."
Hey, AJ, was she attractive or was she ugly?
No, and that's
He
the
was
thing,
a
I've
man.
never seen her. I will never see her. Yo, they're strict to the point where like his own brother will not be able to see his wife. Never.
He married a man in the end of it.
Never. Like he has-
The homies getting fucked instead of doing all the fucking.
yeah. has 4 brothers, right?
That boy's
Yes,
getting hit. Literally.
Did you see that? It was news in South Korea. In South Korea, this woman had like a lot of plastic surgeries done. She married a guy, and he didn't know how she looked like before. And then when he got kids, all of them didn't look like any of them.
No.
And he filed like a lawsuit against his wife.
I would do the same.
I'd kill her. Fuck that. I'm going to jail after that.
Oh,
She got me fucked up. I'd kill her. She gotta go, or he gotta go. I've been gay and I didn't even know. You gotta go.
No, but like, so the friend, like, imagine you, Luke. Do you have any brothers?
I have a sister.
So imagine your sister. Imagine you have a brother, and your brother gets married, and you don't meet the wife at all.
Oh hell nah.
Like,
That's
you
weird.
do not meet your sister-in-law, like, at all. You don't know how
sister-
she looks like. You don't talk to her. You don't even nothing.
You think so?
As if your brother didn't even get married.
Yeah, that's a delicate situation. Like, I can't even talk to her.
You can't even talk to her. You can't even see her. You can't do nothing.
No. Are you mad? Are you mad?
Yeah.
Like,
Literally, that's how it is.
my kids
He has
need
4
to
brothers. He has
have
4
like
brothers, and
my
they're all
kid-
married.
if my
They're
kids
all
need
married,
to have.
and they all do not know how each other's wives look like. None.
So your brother does not know your wife, AJ.
No, I'm saying that's how it is. Some
Really?
Do you never
Yeah,
want
yeah,
your
yeah.
brother to know?
AJ, really? Or are you
Wallah
serious?
Azim. Wallah
No
Azim.
way.
Qasam billah. Like, he's married, and he has brothers that are married, and they do not know how. They've never met their wives. Never.
Not
And they
even.
never will.
Not even. No. Whoa,
Nothing.
damn.
Nothing.
Damn.
No invites. Whenever they have a
But what about the
get-together,
wedding
girls
then,
on one
fam?
side, guys
What
on
about the
other
wedding
side.
then?
What? The wedding is not mixed.
The wedding's on Zoom.
Wait, but
The
when
wedding's
the
on
wedding's
Zoom.
not mixed,
They put the
your
filters on the
brother
face.
will see her anyways then, right?
No, they're not. Why
How?
would he?
How?
They have
How would my
all
brother?
this
How would my
background.
brother see her?
What?
How would my brother see her if it's not a mixed wedding?
Mixed wedding, but then it's like one side getting and the other side then, right? What?
No, it's 2 different rooms. 2 different.
So
So
they
when
don't
you go
even
to-
see. Oh my god.
Yeah,
He's
that's what I
a
was telling you.
male.
I got married. I had a guy wedding, and I had a female wedding. I had 2 weddings.
So
Welcome
AJ,
to the
when you
life
go-
of segregation.
When you go with your family, like you did
Nah.
the other day, your wife never goes with you.
No, I'm saying that's that guy. My side of like my family, we're mixed. Like,
You
my
never
brother
go
sees
out
my
to
wife,
eat
my
and
brother
then
comes
you
over, it's
accidentally see
fine.
your brother.
Yeah, it's fine. Like, I'll see my brother's wife when he gets married. It's fine. But I'm saying certain cultures here, or certain tribes. I should say tribes, not culture. Tribes, because there are tribes, right? Like Gahtan and Bedouin and Ezekiel. You know them, right?
Yeah. I'm
Right.
from.
Like,
I'm from one
like
of them.
we can say like the rednecks of Saudi, right? Like,
Rednecks of Saudi. What the fuck?
That should be a reality show.
They get some tribes down there.
Hell.
AJ, it's subjective because some of the tribes there are outliers.
yeah, there are outliers. I know a girl that got married to a guy that her family didn't approve of, and her family disowned her.
It's like you're gone.
Disowned. Do not speak to her. You're not my daughter, type of thing.
Oh my god.
No, I would classify my family as an outlier. Like, although they come from really strict roots, but they're not really strict.
Yeah.
At all.
Damn.
Like, at
I
all.
could get that from you, Ray. Like, you're definitely more laid back. Like, you respect the culture, but you definitely are more independent thinking.
Like, my family they're open-minded, right?
Yeah.
We go out together. We go out to like resorts together. All of us, all my cousins.
But with your wife then.
Yeah, with my wife.
But then they see
If
her,
you
right?
if you had
Yeah, they see
two
her,
wives,
yeah.
then you would have to
Oh,
go
okay,
twice, right?
Oh, but you
What?
said as an example that normally.
I was saying an example of my
Yeah, yeah.
friend.
Okay.
Yeah.
So AJ, if you had 2 wives, wouldn't you have to go on 2 different vacations?
Yep, I would.
But that's hella
Good
fun.
thing. Good thing. I got over half a year of vacation days.
That's why they give them to you.
I literally have like 200 something days of vacation days that I can take.
Does
Shit.
anybody take all their wives and all their kids on vacation together?
I don't know. I don't know anybody that has, but sure, why not? Take them together,
I'm
but with
fascinated.
two separate rooms. Two separate rooms.
I
One night
find it.
here, one
I
night
find
there.
it fascinating.
Yeah, it's a little different.
But yeah, like with my friend, man, I was just like, "Yo, what the fuck are you doing, dog?" Just the fact that you can't get you do not know how she looks like until you're laying in bed with her.
That's
Fuck
mad, fam. I wouldn't even go
Fuck
to
that.
sleep with that person. No,
Fuck that.
no. Mad,
But
mad.
but he's happy.
Nah.
You know, right now he was like, "Yo, I hit the jackpot." I was like, "All right, bet. You know, good for you. You know, you got lucky." You know.
He's like, "Oh damn, damn!" And he walks up to his brother, "You a G."
Yeah, he was happy as fuck, you know. Because like they'll like, you can ask like, how does she look like? They can describe her, right? But physically actually seeing her is no.
Oh, that's a no-go for me.
Yeah,
I don't trust
Ray,
my
you know,
dad.
you تعرف الشوف الشرقية. الشوف الشرقية تعرفيها صح؟
ايش؟
الشوف الشرقية.
اي
Eh,
طبعا.
So here in our religion, right? This is religion, right?
Yeah.
We're allowed when we get married is to see the girl without her hijab or her scarf
Yes.
before we get married. Some families here,
Don't.
you have to pay the family
Oh
to see
boy.
to see her dog to see the girl,
To see
and
her
that
hair or her face.
and that money is non-refundable.
So if you're like,
Non-refundable. No. If it was a refundable, I would do it. But if that
It's
shit
not
non-refundable,
refundable, 'cause
I'm
you
gonna get
saw
the
the
hell out
girl.
of there.
Because they're like, you saw her. Like, what you're gonna take back what you saw? You
Yeah.
can't. That's what they said.
Oh, shit.
Right.
unfortunately, you can't, right?
Mitch is like, I ain't getting scammed.
Yo, shit, I might just do that as a side hustle, side business. You know, shit. Get a daughter, and just like, yo, you gotta come pay to see her, you know?
My God. No, I ain't into that game.
Yeah,
Oh.
fuck them. I'm just never getting married.
Personally, if I always say I'm never gonna get married. But if I find like the next level thing, you know, then who knows? But
Never say never.
Never
Never
say
say
never. Never say never. But I'm gonna say one thing that was gonna be never, and that's through the government. That's I don't
Yo,
see
Mike
the
is-
benefit.
Mike was like, my wife thinks I'm listening to a gold analysis. I love this.
But never got it through the government. Never. That's the only never I'm gonna say.
Why? Why not?
It's a scam.
Oh, okay.
What,
Here.
going through the government?
Like I would. My parents are married to. They were married to. They're split up. But for me, it's all the pain in the ass that was there. Nah, I ain't going through that again.
Well, that's the thing, right? So it's just all subjective, right? So you got to find someone you know you're gonna spend to you know, make you better. And
Like,
it's gonna,
I don't
right?
feel, I don't mean like a scam, you know, that's not what I mean. But if you know, I don't know, are your parents split up, Ray?
No, no.
What is that?
Yeah, for us, it was, yeah, it's fucked up.
No, they're not.
But that's, for me, it's like, you know, it's a delicate situation. Like, if I get married, it's not going to be through the government. And I'm the type of person, if I'm married to you, and I make my money, and you've been there for me, I'm paying 50%. No.
You get a sticky situation when you guys, you start
because
having
she
kids.
was
But
there.
you know what the problem
But
with
God forbid, right? You're with her and she's there, and then something happens to you, right? She gets nothing, right?
Yeah,
Nothing.
it is what it is then.
yeah,
gets
but the
nothing.
problem with a lot of people is like you don't go into a marriage thinking what if. You don't
What
go
if
into a
that's
marriage
wrong?
thinking about divorce. You don't go into a marriage thinking about
Yeah, you do.
why like that's not pure
It's
intention.
a probability.
No,
Nah,
it's not.
but that's not. You
That's
get
not
married
what
to
you
love,
don't-
right? To
Yeah.
spend your
So,
every
but
waking moment.
what I'm saying is that if I get married, if I get married, that's one thing I already have in mind, and I get divorced. If I get divorced, and the woman that I was married to, been there every single day for me, because I ain't getting with her if you're not there, you know, also backing me up. No, then of course 50% each, 50%. No worries about that, but not through the government. That's it. That's the only thing.
That's very interesting, Luke. You're like, I would give her 50%, but I wouldn't go through the government.
Let me tell you guys about my marriage, right?
Yeah.
My wife is not Saudi, right? And that's a problem. Because as a Saudi man, you have to marry a Saudi woman, right? Legally speaking, government-wise, legally, you're a Saudi man, you have to marry a Saudi woman.
Can you marry
GCC?
GCC? Okay.
What?
Can you marry someone from the GCC or no?
Yeah, from the GCC is okay.
Okay.
Right, but she wasn't from the GCC. She's Palestinian.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Is she American?
No, she's not American. She's Palestinian.
Okay.
All right. Let's not go into details. Palestinian, Australia, all that, whatever. Anyways, when I wanted to get married, I had to get government approval to get married, and I waited 2.5 years for this approval to come in.
That's insane.
That's crazy.
And every single time I applied, it got rejected. It got to the point where the last letter that was sent to me, he was like, "It's rejected and do not fucking apply again."
Right? The man's like, "Let me apply again."
you know how it is as a guy, right? If you can't have something, you want it even more, you know? Like, that's how it was. I was like, fuck that. I want this girl. Fuck that. Nobody's going to stop me type of thing, right?
So you applied again.
I applied again, but this time I applied
Savage.
I applied again, but I applied through like a connection with somebody inside the government, you know?
A prince or something.
Yeah, a prince.
Hey, big ass fucking check sign.
Right? And he wrote a letter, you know, to whoever, like the person, the minister of whatever that controls the stuff. And wrote a letter saying like, yo, this guy is, you know, a doctor, you know, he's from a good family, you know, like, and the girl is good, blah, blah, blah. And then a month later, approved.
Savage. Not giving up.
Yeah.
That's insane.
I rub it in my wife all the time. I was like, I didn't give up on you.
Is that the same in Dubai? Or is that the same in like the
No,
UAE?
Dubai, I don't know.
No, Dubai is different. They can marry whoever they want. But for Emirati women, their kids only get the nationality after they pass the age of 18.
Okay,
Yeah.
And Oman?
It's the same as well. But with us, the kids don't get the nationality.
Okay.
All right, we got
NYC, right?
open.
NYC open.
Shells on mute. We didn't hear the bell this time.
Yeah, where's
I
the
heard
bell?
the bell.
I didn't hear the bell.
Well, I don't know what y'all were doing. I mean, it went off. I don't know what to say.
You're mute probably.
No, I wasn't on mute, actually. I don't know why y'all didn't hear it. It's weird. No, y'all should have heard it, actually. Somebody might have been talking and I might have over muted my mic. Somebody was talking when it went off.
I'm not mixing culture with Islamic rules. I'm talking. I literally said what I said. Like, I said this is culture, and this is Islam. Like,
here's the thing. Like, I totally respect AJ. Like your society and your culture and where we're raised from. It's so different than other parts of the world, but it doesn't make it wrong. It's just different. It's what you know, and it's, you know, it's crazy when people stand in judgment of another group when they don't even understand it. Like, I mean, I get it. It's new. Like, I really like when you talk about it because it's like it opens my mind to things that I didn't know about.
Very nice.
yeah.
I'm actually super curious. Like, I'd ask 10,000 questions, but you'd probably be like, enough.
We can do that on a private Zoom.
Yeah, I think it's just subjective. Everyone's different, and there's no one rule that applies to anyone. So I don't know.
There's not. And when you go back historically, I mean, culture and marriage and relationships, they're always ever changing in different societies. That was one thing I did in college. I won't go into detail, but a professor one day of class asked a really outlandish question, very first day of class, and nobody could I'll tell the story. I tell it all the time because it's kind of an extreme story. So it was ethics in college. And the very first day of class, the professor stood up, didn't introduce himself, didn't say anything. He just stood up in front of a class full of people and he said, can anyone in this room give me an instance in which child molestation would be okay? That was the first thing the man said. And I'm like, whoa. And I start looking around in the class, like, everybody has all these looks on their face. And the man asks it again. And people are like starting to say no, like they're, becoming vocal. And he asks it a third time. And I'm sitting there thinking, like, you don't just say that. You don't, like, he's getting at a point. Like, what's the point? You don't just throw that out there. And so I raised my hand and he came to me and I said, in our culture, in our country, and in our society, there is never an instance in which that would be okay. However, if you have been born in Africa and were part of a tribe where your culture married girls of young age, in our society, that's child molestation, but in their culture, that's normal. Like, that's just what they know. That's what they do. Like, they live in tribes. They live in the jungle. Like, they don't live by our standards and rules. And so it's just like, and I brought up the I don't know how many of y'all know about in Texas, the Waco compound. It was a group of people that believed this guy David was the Messiah. He was their...
Oh, it's a cult thing, right?
Yes. But the people that were in that cult fully believed that he was their Messiah. He was their savior. And they died for him, And so people get so... they believe what they believe, and it's right within the realm of the structure that they build. And to say one's right and one's wrong is very hard to do, because everybody can have that judgment on each other. Everybody can say, well, the way the Americans do it is totally wrong. They should do it like us. And the Americans can look at other cultures and say, well, the way they do it is totally wrong. Who would ever do that? But at the end of the day, it's what the society dictates, and it's what you know and how you grow up. It's how religions stay intact, because it's just passed on. Those beliefs are just passed on and passed on. I'm very open-minded to like what other people do, because that's just the reality in which they were born and they live in.
Yeah,
and
but to them, it's not like it's a different perspective. To them, it's like if they're married, then it's not like it's no longer considered as child molesting or whatever.
Yes,
you know what I mean?
yes.
Yeah,
they in a tribe, they see it as a girl that reached age of bearing children, and therefore that's what you do. I mean, we're talking tribes that live in the jungle that don't wear tops. Like, who's to say that's wrong? They go topless, but that's their tribe, that's their culture.
I don't see nothing wrong with that part.
Oh gosh, Luke. Mitch,
that was not
Mitch,
me.
You're crazy. So it was in the guy. I mean, the professor said I nailed it. He was like you should teach this class, kind of confirmation. But really, when he stood up and he said that, it just makes you, that was a terrible example that he gave, but it did open your mind to go, wow, just because our society says you shouldn't marry at 13 doesn't mean that in that culture, that 40-year-old man marries the 13-year-old. That's the way they've been for hundreds of years. So it's totally normal to them.
Yeah, but with his question, like the way he started the conversation, it's something that's going to stick in a lot of people's minds, which is the whole purpose of it. Right?
Yes.
So
I think a lot of people dropped his class after that day, which is terrible because, I mean, I don't know. It's just terrible.
Yeah.
So
I don't know. It's immature because he's clearly like good at raising questions, right? Like if you have a professor like that, then
he knows how to create a discussion.
Exactly. So I think everyone should be open to conversation. Even if the belief is not the same as what you believe in, you need to just sit and listen and like at least listen to someone and maybe take the good things out of it and keep out the bad things that doesn't suit you, you know?
Right. Like you don't have to like it or agree, but you should be open-minded enough to even consider, like, to understand each other. So, I mean, honestly, we're all just born into a culture and a society that we didn't choose, but it's what molds us at the end of the day. And then when we compare it to others, it's crazy because you're like, well, I never knew, like, I didn't know about having 4 wives, didn't know it, but I could see it, you know, because that's the way it is. So
Bitch wouldn't mind.
but that's what I'm saying. It's so funny because some men complain about 1 wife. Some men are like, oh man, my wife nags me. So like, why would you want to multiply that times 4?
Exactly.
Great facts.
AJ,
What do you think?
that question goes
Ray
to
Ray,
you. Yeah.
What do you think about a guy marrying more wives?
Someone asked me that in my private chat. I was like, it's up to him if he wants to, but like,
Would you accept it?
no. No, I don't see why I should.
Yeah, downgrading yourself.
Yeah, why not?
That's not true.
No, I don't see why I should accept someone who wants to marry so many women.
But you just put down girls who are okay with that. You can't say it's
no.
downgrading.
No,
That's just
not
her
real
preference.
downgrading. Okay, yeah, that's true.
That's just her preference. She wants one person to be loyal to her. She wants all that time. She doesn't want to share that person with anybody else.
Yeah, share it.
Because AJ's already said, like, you have to spend the same amount of time with each person you're married to.
Oh, they don't, Michelle. They don't. Most of them.
Even though they're supposed to.
Even if they're supposed to, they don't. They just take the good, like the part that suits them, and because I know a lot of my friends are like, they're like from the first wife of their fam, and their father is married someone else, and obviously he travels with the other kids and doesn't travel with his first wife's kids, and you know, things like that, like, or like certain kids would be in. He would pamper them more than the previous wife, and like there's a lot of friction between the first wife's kids and the second. Like there's a lot of injustice in that, and it's so difficult to.
Gold's coming down. Sorry.
And then she can't ask for a divorce because then she has to pay the dowry back.
No, she could, but like for a lot of women who are the first wives and are helpless because they often don't have a job. They're just housewives and they've been married for like over 20 years with a lot of kids and stuff like that. So there's no way out basically for her, and she just accepts it because she's just giving in, you know.
Right.
But like with the new generation, with the women working and everything, it's much easier for her to walk out.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Well, I mean, I think it would be difficult unless it's just like, I think now that people are more worldly traveled and aware of other cultures, I think that adds a problem to those kind of older ideologies, because then people start to question what before they didn't question, they just went along with.
Yeah, and also in our generation, I don't know anyone with 2 wives. It's either a divorce and married to the next one, or like I think people are growing out of that concept, to be honest, because it's getting expensive. Life is getting expensive as well. So like, I don't know.
Yeah, you need to be rich.
Yeah, you do.
Hella rich.
And also keeping in mind that like if a wife usually accepts it, she's probably happy to be like, not really happy, but has no options and just wants to be a housewife and like no backup and stuff like that. So it depends. Like I don't know anyone who wants to be the second wife for the sake of just being the second wife. She usually marries someone who's rich and accepts being the second wife and like takes it as a way to get an easy life throughout, that kind of thing. But I don't know. I'm just talking about the stuff that I see, but there might be other situations that I'm not aware of. I could be wrong.
Patience. That's it.
Yeah,
So
it's
Ray,
crazy.
do you want to be a housewife one day?
No.
That's
No
lit.
way. No way.
And what if he really, really wants that?
Then
Tell him right then he's hit. Fuck him. Tell him. And he's hit. He gotta go.
no. If he wants that, then I'd be like, okay, let's talk about this. You get me a business that makes me income, and I would accept whatever. But if like just for the sake of it, then no. Like I need a source of income as well, not just and also like it should be a team work. It shouldn't be like one person doing everything and the other one's just I don't know what like for.
Would you expect your husband to change diapers?
Yeah. Duh.
Yes, duh.
Duh.
I love Ray.
Would you expect? Would you expect him to cook for you?
If he wants to.
If he wants
Otherwise-
to, would you expect it?
No, otherwise, I'm cooking for myself and he can figure it out himself.
But would you expect it though?
It would be nice to have someone who would cook for you, but it doesn't mean that he's gonna do it all the time. So I know how to cook. I know
I
how
wish
to
my
cook.
girl fucking cook. She got me fucked up. She knows I'm a chef. She like, yeah, you go in and cook in there, boy. Boy, fuck
Wow.
you.
Send me some
She
recipes.
lucky I
Gola.
like that shit.
I don't find it. Why cooking? It's not that bad.
It's not that bad. Cleaning the dishes is worse.
Yeah, I don't clean the dishes.
I would rather clean
Never.
the dishes.
I never
Really?
clean
No,
dishes.
I'd rather
Yes.
cook.
Brian is an amazing cook, like amazing. I will clean the dishes every day.
Okay, so he cooks and you clean the dishes.
Well, I don't always clean, but I'd rather clean. The kitchen is my daughter's chore because my kids have to work around the house.
Okay, that's nice.
And so that's her. But I often find like if we're in the kitchen together, I will clean dishes as he's cooking because I like it clean.
Well, okay. Question: what are do's and don'ts for a guy? Okay, Luke and Guala, Mitch, or
Oh,
whoever.
don't put me in this shit.
But like, what are things? What are things that you don't want your girl to do?
To do?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good question, but I don't actually know. Fucking other dude.
That would be the first one, right?
That's cheating. Nobody wants to be cheated.
Not to do, right?
Not to do as in what or where or who or what do you mean?
Yeah, like
do
what's
is
okay
big.
and what's where do you draw the line? Like not
With what?
not in,
With
not in terms
cooking,
of
with
cooking or
I'm
working
not.
or blah blah.
I'm pretty confident. No, not confident like I'm cocky or anything, but I trust someone. I can, well, not fully, but I can trust someone to go somewhere and not do, sketchy shit.
Oh yeah. So
I
like
don't care where you go.
if she hangs out with a group or like a guy or whatever, if it's okay, right? Or
like the guy. I need to know who it is though.
Wait, nah. My girl can't chill with no dudes. You got me fucked up.
no, if you know the guy, if you know.
Hell no. All my homies is dogs.
Guala, maybe you need new friends.
I've been
Hell no.
Who are your
Hell
friends?
no.
I've been cheating on 3 times.
Ah, see,
Wow.
that's fucked up.
Yeah, but for me,
It's always a good guy.
How did you find out? How did you find out? How did you find out?
told me. Yeah.
Really?
He told you? Ah, see, I was killed.
But 3
With someone you know?
different, 3
With
different girls.
Someone you know?
Yes.
I'm telling you, it be the closest
But
ones.
I know the guy that he was a weird ass, but that's okay. But I'm not mad at anything on that. It is what it is.
So you would allow your
left the room, right?
you would allow your girl to
Oh, hell
chill
no.
with a boy by him,
No.
just them two?
Depends. like if it's her best
Nah,
friend.
you tripping.
Yeah, sure thing.
Fuck
Best
no,
friend,
best friends. You know how many girl
Yeah,
best friends I had? Call them best friends and
I've
shit.
girl best friends as well. I don't fuck them.
You got nah. See, I
don't
got the
fuck
game
them.
twisted.
I don't even see. I don't even see a sexual connection with them.
Y'all got the game
Even
twisted
if
all the way.
my best friend is good looking, but I'm not looking to bang her or anything.
I hang out with my guy cousins all the time.
That's cousins. That's family. You're not gonna.
I know,
fuck
but
your
like
family.
by the way, no. But Koala, you're forgetting.
Alabama.
You're forgetting the fact that it's okay to get married to cousins here.
Oh hell no! Y'all got
No,
the
I'm
game
serious.
twisted,
I'm
bro.
serious.
What y'all
Ask
Kevin Gates
AJ.
ass motherfuckers?
I told you that West
For me,
Virginia
it's like
shit, bro.
for me, it's like you can't do what you want, but if you fuck me over, it's over. That's it. That's the only thing.
See, why would you let it get to the point?
Well,
nah,
that's
bro.
because that's because it shouldn't. Even if I would let someone go like that, it should never get to that point. You get me? I would never let it get to that point. I can't. Otherwise, I'm gonna be living in an untrustful life. I'm gonna be in an untrustful relationship. I don't trust you. I need to trust someone. When I fall fucking down, I need to make sure that the person is gonna,
Exactly.
I don't.
Yeah, exactly.
If I can't even trust someone being somewhere else.
Talking is different than cheating, by the way.
Yeah,
Talking is different.
If I can't. Yeah, go ahead.
Because like when you, let's say, previously I was working in a corporate world, right, where there's a lot of guys around and you're hanging out with them more than you hang out with your family, and you're actually traveling, like you're going on clients to see clients in different countries and stuff like that. So imagine being in a relationship.
That's different.
I mean,
no, it's the same.
No, I'm talking about like, say my girl's here, right? And she's like, yeah, I'm leaving. I'm asking her, where you going? Yeah, I'm about to go hang out with Fred. I'm gonna be like, yeah, who's Fred with? Yeah, it's just Fred. Fuck no! You leave that door, you ain't gotta come back. Fuck no.
Yeah, but like if she's traveling on business with her workmates who are men.
That's different.
In the same room, quite a lot.
In the same room, in the same.
Hell no, bro.
Okay, for me, it's like
the same hotel with my girl,
if I can't, for me, if I'm in a relationship, I need to be able to trust that person. And if she decides to do something that's disrespectful, you're gonna know. So,
bro, y'all be tweaking, bro.
You're gonna know, and not by me being mad, but by me leaving. I'm not mad. Ask Michelle. Don't say the story though, but ask Michelle. It's true. I'm not mad. You can leave.
But another person does reflects on them. It doesn't reflect on you. So
you can do whatever the fuck you want. I ain't getting mad.
There's just guidelines, bro. You don't allow your lady to fucking sleep in a hotel with another man.
No, I wouldn't.
Even if
that was a
work
joke.
or not.
That was a joke.
Hell no, you don't do that, bro.
Even
no, but Koala, you're getting that story wrong. No, like when you go to the hotel, you go live in a hotel with your workmates or whatever.
Okay, that's cool as long as they're not in the same room.
I mean,
obviously
also,
not the.
Also, the thing is, if she finds something else, it's all Gucci, man. I don't give a shit.
No, but I mean, she's spending time. Like honestly, I'm speaking out of experience. I'm spending so much time, and like 5 days a week with people from work. And you go to a different country, and I've seen so many women like get into a divorce with their husbands because of their work style. Like 5 days a week they're spending it with their workmates. They're always lunch, dinners and whatnot. They're always around people from work, and like look it up, like consultants and stuff like that, they have the highest divorce rates. It's crazy. So they're miserable, like when it comes to relationships at home and stuff like that, because they're always at work or like traveling with co-workers, and a lot of stuff happen. I'm sure Michelle, it's stuff like that happen, or you heard stuff like that happen in the States or whatnot.
It happens a lot.
Yeah,
it happens a lot.
Exactly. When you're like,
the thing for me is though, if I find out you cheated, you tell me, it's not Gucci. I'm not mad.
She gotta die.
I'm just
my girl
leaving.
better not come
I'm
to
just
me talking
leaving.
about I
I'm saying
cheated on you.
It's a
I swear to
delicate
God, I'm going to
situation.
jail.
It's something you don't gotta understand. You're getting mad on something you can't control.
Nah,
The only thing you can
it
control
when
is
it's
to look
you
her
can't
up.
control it
No,
when it's happening.
I wouldn't be the same. Like if I got told that I'm not allowed to talk to women or even see women, nah, fam. Nah. I ain't living like that. So I have to be the same thing around. I'm not gonna say you can do that, but you can't do that, but I can do. No.
Yeah.
You know?
Makes
And
sense.
I'm not scared of being hurt. I'm not scared of being hurt. That's the thing. If I'm getting into this relationship with someone, I'm just here. I'm with that person. If that person decides to do something, I'm leaving. I don't give a shit.
I wouldn't. I never got cheated on, but if a girl cheat on me, bro, she's hit.
You don't know.
You gotta go.
You don't know if you're cheated on or not. But
trust me, I know.
It is what it is. Things you can't control, and you know.
Ray.
Yeah.
Look at the private message.
Where?
Probably some crazy shit. It's like, this look, dude, he's fucked up.
Fuck that. Fuck that. I'll kill
No,
you.
Yo, what's good, guys?
Sammy,
Yo,
what would
what's
you
up?
do? Sammy, what would you do if your girl cheat on you? You gonna
She's
kill her,
hit,
right?
bro. She's hit.
Yeah, see, she gotta
She's
go.
hit.
She gotta go.
Yeah, that's what I mean. But I'm going
Dying.
myself.
Yo, what's up with that support, though, huh? What's up with that support on gold? That's just about to break down.
Tell me, you yourself.
Not yet.
Nah, I'm not in anything right now.
Just gotta pull
But
back.
Sammy, is your
What's good?
Is your wife or girlfriend allowed to
What
talk
about
to other
wife?
people?
I see pullback. Do you guys see pullback?
Yeah,
Hold on, hold on. I like this conversation. Go ahead, Luke.
Yeah, well, you like this conversation,
Oh,
Sasha?
Gola,
Sasha,
I'm
no, I'm
exhausted.
gonna ask you. Would you
No,
let your men talk to anybody else?
Yeah, right. When I have one, I'll definitely let you know. Right now,
I'll let you know.
I want to be.
But right now, her man is the chart. Right,
Ooh,
Right now,
Right.
Goldie.
I want to be. My man is this gold. I want to understand this.
God damn.
She's dancing with her man right now.
You're right. I'm
Oh,
dancing
man.
up and down. That's crazy dance, by the way. What do you guys think? I see some bit of pullback at with the next hour, maybe.
Yeah, I think they're gonna build up until the interest rates.
So it's gonna stay here until then, until 2ish.
Possibly. We got
4
interest
hours?
rates in 4 hours. Sheesh.
Exactly right.
Sheesh. But boy.
Sammy, you're a fucking G, man.
Sammy, why you want me to get hit?
You're the
To
G,
get
bro.
hit, huh? Huh? Hater.
Oh, for the sellers?
We're not coming
Bro.
up there no more. Fuck that.
Bro, they're coming, bro.
No, they're not.
They can't break it down like that.
Put $1 on PayPal on it. Let's bet $1.
Bro, I'll put
Sammy, you're saying they're gonna go take out the sellers?
I'll put $1 that is gonna hit 18.20.
What? Today?
Hey, you don't know with this news when it comes out. Come on.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Have y'all seen
Guala Guala Banker Rabba.
Bold.
Hey, yo, by the way, I recorded the song, but it still needs some mix and
man,
mastering.
Yo,
We're
Luke
ready.
heard it for the first time today.
Bro, what?
Yeah,
Come
I
on,
didn't
Luke.
know. I didn't know.
He's an
Bro,
asshole.
you're in the
Anything,
chat.
fam.
You're in the
Exactly,
chat.
that's the whole point.
Luke the Duke didn't know.
Okay,
Come on,
And
bro.
you wrote, and it was almost on point. I love the lyrics. But
Guess
I
guess
like-
what I just got again, people?
What?
Another, let's count it out, 3 weeks on sick leave.
Oh my god. Nobody
My-
coming over.
God, this guy's crazy.
I'm a
How did you
motherfucking
manage
beast.
it?
What do you mean? I know my doctor.
Because he.
Oh, you
Oh.
fucking. You've been out for
There we
You know
go.
what's funny? Out here in Belgium, Mitch, we get paid to be sick.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, apparently.
Easy game. Easy game.
Easy games, bro.
Easy games.
You know what I call this? Time management.
Facts.
You
Straight
gotta lie
facts.
to him, tell him you depressed and shit. You just chilling, you know.
It's making double money.
Making the double
Yes,
cake,
here in
boy.
America, they'll tell you to go to the bar.
Yeah, bro.
Oh my days. But Sasha,
Sasha's in buys, I guarantee you. She just
Yeah.
bought.
I'd be careful.
I've been scalping, but not more. I'm not holding the positions. Not at all.
I'd be careful.
Yeah, I'm not scalping.
I would
Sammy
be
called
very careful.
1820. Sammy does not normally do that.
Chill, chill, chill. I'm really considering like the worst. Like if they're gonna do some whipsaw, like
You
the
know,
highs.
cells are
at-
stacked right now.
yeah.
And they haven't really taken out cells. They just did right now.
I mean, honestly, that's like I'm leaving that as an option, but they can definitely just rip straight through this support that they created and just drop down.
Exactly.
You know, I'm not doubting it, but I'm also like being open minded to. I don't want to be surprised, you know. So I'm like, okay, if they were to take it up, where would they take it? And then I was looking at some levels, and probably if you go to the 1 hour, it still hasn't retested that top. So I was like, worst they'll tap 1820, and if they're gonna drop down, they're gonna drop down to like 1780, 84, get a bounce on that, either continue down or from there take it up. So that's just what I'm looking at, and it's so ugly in this range. I just wanted to get out already, because y'all know when we're gonna start trending, ooh, we're gonna be making some money.
Fib it. All I'm gonna do is fib it and go to sleep. Fib, set limit, and sleep. I swear to God. That's when I love gold the most, because the trends are nasty. You just be picking it. Money just comes in. But if we break down either or, up or down, that's gonna be a lot of cake. Especially if it break down in the sales, boy, I'm about to eat.
Better stop.
I'm about to eat so good. I'm
About to get
withdrawing.
hit.
I'm withdrawing that shit. Some of it.
I'll do it.
So AJ, do I take sales here?
Up to you.
Oh God.
Michelle, come on. I even said it in the song. Selling low, that's not allowed. Come on.
Shit. Goddamn, boy.
Oh man,
Michelle bought the
everything's
highest today, that's why I said
big.
Yeah,
Look, I didn't take cells. I took cells from the top. I let them go, and I never sold again because we'd already left the station.
Good. I'm proud of you.
It's good discipline.
Boy. Man. We're just waiting here, having a good chat. Guys, don't forget to like. We're 300+ people in, only 160 likes. Whack.
I liked.
Thank
Just
you,
letting
thank
you
you.
know.
Thank you.
I dislike.
Yeah, I'm about to dislike too, cause I don't agree with you with my woman. Just kidding, I liked it a long time ago.
But sometimes you got a different situation, right? You know, for me, it's like I ain't gonna live in fear.
It doesn't.
Things I can't control shouldn't matter.
I like that though, the way you think.
Yeah, right. I ain't gonna sit at home and be like, oh shit,
It doesn't.
she's here and here. I hope she ain't gonna do nothing.
No.
But that's
do
how I live
something.
too right now, bro. So like right now, I send my girl. She's in Barcelona on vacation.
Yeah, no, that's good, right?
I'm not
You
afraid.
You ain't flipping or what?
But she's
I
with
mean,
my
you
sister.
got a rocket launcher in the back. That's the only thing. But
I ain't got a rocket launcher. Fuck that.
But your sister's with her though.
My sister's with her. Yeah. My sister.
There you go.
I sent
You're
them
gonna know
both.
the juice either or.
Huh?
So you're gonna know the juice. You're gonna know the juice either or.
No, the deuce.
the juicy.
The juice.
I'm good. Oh yeah, my sister gonna spill that.
Exactly. She's gonna spill it.
She
But
gonna
I'm saying,
spill that.
That's why you're caught. But if you're with her friends.
Nah, I wouldn't want her to go with her friends.
Exactly.
I mean, Fuck that. I'll be too paranoid, boy. I'll be paranoid. No, I don't listen to famous decks. That's some gay shit.
What?
Ryan G asked if I listen to famous decks.
And then,
Never.
yeah, this guy, she out here cheating on, she out there cheating on you, cuz.
So what? You
Nah,
can cheat
but
on her too.
people live in me.
Yeah, if I want to, I could just call and have a girl pull up, but I'm loyal.
There you go.
I'm loyal.
Oh,
And out here, and you know how it is, people in where me and Luke's from, when girls know you're in a healthy relationship,
they're trying to
Oh,
get
they
you.
want you
they'll
more.
break it.
Yeah, they're trying
Or
to
they're
get you.
trying to break it.
They're
So
trying to
now
get you,
it's
fam.
even easier for me to get one to pull up on me. I swear to God.
Even with
It's
my
the
new
same
whip.
with us. It's the same, but not
It's so
relationship.
easy to. I could just call one of my old
Man,
girls that know I'm in a
You
relationship.
got delicate situations sometimes.
That's it.
You get like
It's the same
WhatsApp
in
and you're like,
airport.
oh god damn, who are you, boy?
For us, it's even when you're married and happily married.
Oh,
yeah. Girls, well, girls like that shit to break up happy homes, and so do men. I ain't gonna lie. Some men. Oh no, fuck that.
No, for me it's like I ain't living in fear.
Paid out cash for that. Nigga, that's fact.
Yeah, the more I look at gold, I feel like it could do some like pullbacks to like 1801, and it might drop. Right, AJ? What are you feeling?
1775.
Yeah. I'm for sure it can drop, but I'm saying I think like they're gonna chill
I
here.
think it might
Like,
just wick down and head up.
Yeah. Hit the 70% level.
I
That's
don't
it.
know. Because it does need to make that lower low, I think.
I see
Yeah,
it
but-
pull back to
Definitely gonna make it.
1803.82. Look at it on a 30-minute.
It's in a bad range at the moment, so
If it pulls back, it should pull back to 1803. 955 where Luke has his thing. That's support that still needs to get retested.
yeah.
So that's where
Hourly candle in 4 minutes.
Yeah, that's a lot of movement.
When's the news?
When's the news? Oh, in 4 hours.
Black Eastern.
And there's news right now. Actually.
news right now. What are you talking about? For
Yes.
real?
4:30.
Let me refresh.
4:30 already happened. Didn't it?
No.
No,
25
30 minutes. But oil doesn't affect gold, does it?
Nah.
USD.
If it's Canadian.
I can't wait for that fucking interest rate. It should be like, boom, it's gonna go down and then we'll take profit. In my designated areas.
Floppy.
And then everyone goes quiet, and you know they're in drawdown, and then everyone starts screaming.
Yeah, exactly. I'm just holding these positions. I'm not taking a sell or a buy during the FOMC. I'm not, I'm just holding my positions. I'm gonna get happy with the profits that is still.
Come on, Koala, take a buy.
Nope. I didn't even
What
put
about
nothing on my cowboy account either. So
Planning to trade that news?
no. I just got runners. I need my runners to eat now. More. Pretty decent runners running.
I'm planning on trying something during the news, at least with a smaller lot, maybe 0.05.
I mean, it's pretty good, right?
Wouldn't do it.
0.5.
If your direction's wrong and you get slipped, that 0.05 turns into a 0.50.
Very fast.
Out. I know.
I wouldn't do it with your main account. Make like a separate account. That's what I'll do.
Drop like a 5 lot.
I'll risk only today's profit, maybe. Only.
That's stupid.
Do like 25%.
Hey, one day we're gonna interview TJ on here. TJ, we're watching you.
The only rich motherfucker in
I'm here. I'm not the rich one.
I'm
I'm
just
here.
joking.
TJ, what are you doing with the news? Because you got this down.
Yeah, no, I'm not trading for next 3 days. Remember, I said that yesterday.
Oh yeah, it makes sense.
There.
Do not want to give a single penny of my profit of this month. Nothing.
By the way,
No,
you deserve the
Do you want
break.
to say how well you did this month, TJ?
Yes, you deserve the break.
Yes. TJ, how well
Do
did
you
you
want to
do
give
this
a
month?
percentage on your account on how well you did this month?
Well, it's pretty good, right? But I'm still, what I would say is I'm still refining my techniques, right? I don't trade the way you guys trade, finding the tops and bottoms exactly. I'll go in between them because I still look for some confirmations, at least on a 5 minute, which is not good, I know. So I'm just trying to, you know.
Whoa. Take those words back, boy. 5-minute confirmations is the shit. That's how you get wick entries.
That's
where Guala-
Yeah, that's how I
takes
get
action.
entries. Yes, I know.
That's how I
get
take my
entries too.
every single
Yeah.
buy and sell on the 5
Yeah,
minute.
so that's how I take entries too. I know.
Yeah, you're
But I
lit
mean,
for that.
yeah. So
You
yeah,
were
it
doing
was a
very well.
pretty decent month. I'm not gonna lie, I started the 25K account, live account. I do not believe in paper trading. I started 25K account on April 3rd. Lost quite much, but this month by being in this group, I'm able to recover everything, and I'm in plus quite much now. So it's a long way to go. And about this NYSE open time, that becomes my stock trading time. So I'm staying more focused on that part. About 9:30 to 10:30, that's my stock trading time. I do day trading for stocks as well. Yeah. Only US stocks, NYSE stocks only. Yeah. So we'll see how that plays out. But so far so good. Like I said, I was able to recover all my losses, and I'm in plus. So, but this month it's the stats is about 103% up. That's what it is as of yesterday.
Beautiful.
Not making any trades if possible, especially when there is a news. The goal is just doing, flip flops. I don't like it. I need low clear move. So,
TJ.
Yep.
You said 103%?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna send you my PayPal. Send me 10%.
Absolutely. Why not, man? I will.
I'm just fucking with you. Good job, bro.
AJ,
Good job.
Or TJ, tell me what this group, like, what has it done that's helped you to be different?
To be different.
Think,
somebody different. Yeah, go ahead.
What it helped me is to refine my entries, right? I was doing random trading before, but I look for the proper setups because I was in a stock trading mindset, which is very, very, very different than what Forex is. You basically have to marry a pair, right? Which is not the case with stock. I trade 3 different stocks every different day, right? So that was the difficult part to marry and to see what exactly it's going to do, right?
Right.
How long you have been doing stocks?
3 years. I'm a full-time trader for 3 years now.
Wouldn't you say stocks are a lot easier than gold?
I don't know. I don't know if I'm the right person to judge that because I still don't know Forex too much, right? So.
But man, killing it with 100%.
No, I know. Look, but that
insane.
I mean, if I can repeat that over next 6 months, yes, I would say I know something. But 1 month performance is nothing. That's the way I look at it, right?
Yeah, 100%. 100%.
Yeah, it's nothing.
But one thing I want to say, well done to you, man. Well done.
No, thanks a lot, Benny. I learned a lot from you too. Since Raja left, yours are the stream I was always in. And that's how I came to know Michelle, AJ, Guala, Mitch, all you guys. Shasha, not to forget. She's going to be mad at me otherwise. Ray, yeah, I know. Like I said, I listen in the background, learn because I don't know too much Forex. That's why I don't like to give any input. I do mentorship for stocks. I trade people on one-on-one. Nice. But Forex is it's a very new animal for me. So let's see how that plays out. I mean, I'm just looking to finish how I do by December 2021, and then I can say something. But it's too early. 1 month's performance is nothing. It's nothing. Yeah. It's just you can just get lucky. That's the way I will put it, right?
Yeah.
That's why I wanted to know your complete strategy. If you analyze your charts, just share them even in WhatsApp or Slack or Discord, you know?
Yeah, no, I know. I'm coming to that. Like I said, I'm still doing some little random trading and mistakes here and there. I just want to refine that, but I can share and get some input. That would have probably helped me to make
Perfect.
my progress faster, right?
It does.
So,
It does. I totally believe so. When you're looking at something and you send the chart on, so
yeah,
everybody have different, they're looking at different things at different
different things.
candles.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, the same
Oh, yeah.
trade, and yeah, so it opens my mind and I can see better too. So that'll be nice. You've
Okay,
done
so
really good.
I'm just gonna be open now. If AJ is listening, he's gonna be mad because I want to be like him, find the right setups. So whatever Michelle did yesterday, I took the same trade.
I knew this was coming when you said that.
I
Thank
took
you,
the same trade,
TJ.
made 35 pips because that is what I see as a setup. That should not be the case. So that, like I said, I'm trying to
Great.
refine my things, but it's still not working out too well.
Hey,
We'll see.
TJ, I have a question.
Yep.
Did you close that trade in profit?
Oh yeah, that was the only
Okay.
trade I took for 3,500
AJ,
USD.
Like, oh yeah.
DJ,
So yeah,
have you ever pulled out a Michelle before? Have
no,
you
that
ever
was
did a
only
Michelle?
yesterday, bro. That was only yesterday.
No. He
No.
means
Drawdown. Have you ever gone to drawdown?
No, I'm very impatient with my drawdowns. I only, my max drawdown is 30, 35 pips, not more than that. I'll quit. I cannot hold more drawdowns. No.
Okay.
That is for me. I mean, that is the confirmation I'm wrong. That's what I personally think. I could be wrong at this point in time, but I mean, I will not hold more than 30, 35 pips in a drawdown. I'll just close the position and think what I did wrong, right? Because
pull out
if I have
method.
30 pips drawdown, I could have waited to enter the trade and get 30 pips profit. That's the way I think, right?
Okay.
So, I mean, it could be just me, but I still have a long way, a lot of things to learn. So let's see how that plays out.
I'm not going to lie. I'm sticking to that right now. I'm trying to do 30 pip drawdown. It's causing me to take more losses than I normally would take. And then within 10 minutes, I'm like, damn, I would have been in profit. So I'm still,
yes. That's exactly what happens.
Yes. It's like, it's so frustrating. So I'm trying to bend so that I don't end up in 100, 200 pip drawdown. However, at the same time, I take a loss only to watch what my trade would have been sitting in profit.
Yeah. Because see, I think that is the little mindset that comes from my stock trading. It's a habit, right? Because in stock you don't sit in 5% drawdown. It will never come back, right?
Right.
But Forex is different. I've been watching gold that's the only pair I trade since I started in April. And it will probably give you an opportunity to exit at break even once you hold it a little bit more. That's what I'm seeing too. But still, like I said, I'm very, very impatient with my losses. If I should hold a little bit, I would save a lot of commission that I paid to my broker and still make a profit. But let's see. I'm trying to do better than what I'm doing.
Yeah, that has helped me. Keeping my losses short and not hold them for too long. I have been able, and also I scale in the positions. So even if there's that loss is there, but it'll be with a smaller position. So that also helps me. So I scale and not just go, one lot or two lot all the way together because it's like a dynamic and static risk.
Dynamic risk. No, that's what I've been doing too, and I think that is helping up to a level because at least your losses are smaller than what they're supposed to, and on the second position you're capitalizing on your profit already, right?
Yep.
So
Because you take it a bit further, up or down. So that's already in profit.
Like one lot at a time, but now I scale in, 0.5 or 0.25 and see how that plays out before I just jump the gun. So that is actually really, really helping, and that's the reason I've been making lots of profit this month.
Same here. I cut out my losses because of that, and now my success rate has improved a lot. It's like even if I'm taking 20, 30 trades, so it'll be 90% or so. and I am able to hold longer because of that. Because I'm not in agreed to go with big lot sizes. I used to do that earlier, but then I used to get scared, and I couldn't hold for long. Even if it's in positive, I want to secure more quicker than I'm supposed to. And even if, and otherwise, if I'm in drawdown, I used to get very scared and anxious, and my confidence was not there. Although the setup is amazing, but it just stays and consolidates, and it creates a move, and it takes some time. And for that, you have to be patient, and you can be patient only when you're comfortable with your loss. So that's how it has helped.
Yes. Yeah. That is very true. That is very true. So yeah, that's like I said, it's only took one single trade yesterday, and I'm just sitting on my hands today. It's just so much up and down, and nothing is happening. So
and you're right, this whole group, everybody here, and their own perspective, and what they look at, that has helped me a lot. That has improved my trading huge amount. So yep. And perfect. I think this is amazing. AJ has taught us, and but we need a lot of practice. And you're right, it's just the first month for all of us, and if you're like, okay,
that's what I mean. That was one of the reason I don't like to share the results. But if I don't share it, then I will not get any opinion on it. And I'm saying that out loud, that it could be just pure luck. 1 month cannot dictate how I perform, and I know that very well from my stock trading. Right? It took me about year and a half to come to break even. Right? And after that, like I said, it was a blast. It's still a blast, and kind of learn Forex, see how that. One of my cousin does Forex, and I think there is much more potential in Forex than in the stock market. So let's see how it plays out for me. I'm gonna give it a try till end of this year and see how much I can grow my account, and if I can switch just to Forex and let stock market go.
Okay. All right. That's
damn,
pretty interesting.
That's a pretty crazy goal.
Yeah, I wanted to ask him the same thing, that why are you more interested in Forex, but you see more profits here?
See, with stock market, when I started losing money, it's so difficult to recover, right? And it's not possible to make 5% of your account size with stock market because margin is less. I don't use too much margin nowadays. I only use whatever my account size is, even for the Forex. But I mean, that helps to recover if you are in deep drawdowns and if you really know what you're doing, right? It's easy to grow the account in Forex too, I'm not going to lie, right? So my 25,000 account dollar went to 10 grand.
And for me, the reason was because you have to have scanners, and then you have to have the right stock and their fundamentals and their analysis, and there was too much for me to study. And because my background is medical and away from all these data, and where I can study how businesses work and what I should be looking into. So somebody told me that some company laid off 200 employees of theirs, and I thought it's a bad for the company, but they said no, it is good.
That's a good for company. Yeah,
exactly. And I couldn't make that. How could that be good for a company? People
because they're saving money.
Exactly, they're saving money, and it's the opposite that how it works. And those things used to confuse me, and I was like, I think I should say goodbye. I just stick to one chart, and mainly don't have to have very strong fundamentals, and I'll be able to survive. That's the reason for me to
because with stocks, I pay about $200 USD a month for scanner, 150 for trading software. So that 350 USD just goes out of your account without doing anything, right? While here, I don't pay for anything. All the information, all the platforms, everything is free. If you look at that,
don't take me wrong. Some people are very good in stocks, and that's all what they do.
Oh yeah, that's all. Like I said, I've been doing that for last year and a half, very, very, very profitably. I'm not gonna lie, right? That's my bread and butter. That's all I do for living. I'm an engineer by profession.
You have to watch out on every company related news. If there is a company and it's released,
but I don't. I trade stocks very differently, right? I will find 10 stocks which are moving pre-market in NYSE, right? And those are the only, out of 10, I'll pick 2 or 3 and I'll just take a higher position. Let's say yesterday was a BTBT, right? So I took 15,000 shares of BTBT. I just waited for stock to move 50 cents, which it does in like within a second, and I exited. So you do the math. What is my profit? That's it. That's all I did.
That's good, but people blow their account with these penny stocks as well. They could be very volatile, because a little bit of move can kill you.
Yeah, so it's like, you just need to know what we are doing. Either it could be Forex or stock market or whatever it is. But I think my risk management that came from stock market, that is really, really helping me here, not to, have my losses too big. And I have a very, what I would say is my daily percentile goal is between 2 to 3% of my account. That's all I want to make now.
Exactly.
Come up with that consistency.
It will grow that way. That way it'll grow.
Oh yeah, yeah. It will grow very quickly that way. And that's what I started doing beginning of this month, right? 2 to 3%. If it's more, that's fine. But that's my goal. At least make 2 to 3% a day. Between that and a day, yeah, every day.
When I used to have a lot of greed, I need to make 10% and I have to double and all that silliness that always used to bring me, I end up giving my profits back and then having my account itself in losses. And I was like, oh God, how do I stop that? Then discipline, that's something which is very, very important, either it's stock or anything. And it's always, again, psychological. And we need people like AJ on our head constantly.
I know, constantly to remind us. That's correct. Yep.
Keep us on the right track and just stop us from stupidities. And I literally stopped doing it. Would you believe it? And if somebody says anything of that sort, selling at the low, it doesn't fit right in my mind. I'm like, no, what are you saying? I can't accept it for a minute. Now I'm at that stage.
Yeah, I know. That's why I didn't want to, because I was sleeping, 1806, 1805 was the level to sell. And I normally start about 6 a.m. Eastern time. I'm in Toronto, Canada. I live here, and that's why like that 1806.
My neighbor.
Sorry?
Neighbor. My neighbor. You're right there.
Mitt's buddy there.
I'm across
Where
the
are you, Mitt? Where are you, bro?
I'm in New York and Buffalo.
Oh, Buffalo. There you go. Niagara Falls. Yeah, I'm just an hour and a half away, man. Let the borders open and we can meet.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, okay. I will stay in touch. Absolutely, bro. Yeah. I'm in Toronto, so it's pretty close by. Yeah. Yeah, so that's what I did actually, Sasha, Monday. I was down like 0.75% of my account, and that greed kicked in, right? And I lost 5%. That's when I had to call it a day. And yesterday I recovered everything, right? And
I saw that. I saw that when you shared it. I saw the loss. I saw how you recovered it so well, and on top made profit as well. And there you're like, that's it. I'm taking a break. I totally deserve it.
Yeah, but now today, that 100% is a psychological barrier for me. So if I'm going to trade today, 100% I'm going to lose. I know that. That's why I'm just holding my hands. I'm still looking at the charts. I'm still listening to you guys, right? But I'm not going to trade. And I think that discipline is so hard to come by, right? Looking at the charts, seeing the setup and not taking the trade.
Smart.
Very smart. You're right, Luke. Very smart. Because you know where you're going to fall in the pitfall. And
the psychological barrier in your mind, like 100% is a fucked up. Like what a lot of people have, I didn't have the same with round numbers on your account size.
Oh, yeah.
Man, that can fuck with your mind.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I know. So that's why I'm like, okay, let this day go, look at the charts. There is always something different that will come tomorrow, and especially today is a news day, so it's better just not to touch anything and just chill, right? So I didn't even do any stock trading today, because if I'm gonna do something there, I'm gonna lose there too.
Makes sense, man.
Right?
But discipline right there, man. Discipline.
I know. You know what? What helped me to achieve this psychological discipline level is the book. I think I shared that one time too. I can do that again. But the same guy, the Gerard Martinez or Martinez or something, the Forex Mindset. That's the book name. Man, that every word that guy says just sneaks into my brain. That's how it is, and that was kind of game changer for me when it comes to discipline, particularly, right?
Okay.
Yeah, I'll put a snapshot in our
Yeah, sure. Yeah, send it. Yeah.
or the Amazon link or something in our
Yeah,
Zoom
perfect.
chat. Right?
Perfect. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. You'll be able to, there are some websites you'll be able to find the book too, but I normally like to buy the copy. So,
Okay, yeah. Makes sense.
well, I'm still here. What are you guys thinking of gold now with news
Yeah,
coming up?
nothing much.
Nothing much, right?
We might
Yeah,
switch
that's
over
it.
to the live trading lounge in a minute.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, my
Okay.
prediction on gold is it's gonna go to the right.
Perfect. I like that.
We'll definitely do that.
Yeah, I know. I want to stay away. That's all I know today. Nothing else matters. That's the way I function, man. Yeah.
Very good.
Now,
Let's
man, I'm
let's
so grateful. So grateful of this team. I couldn't have pulled those strings without any of you. 100%.
yeah, thank you, man. I appreciate
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
All of
And
us.
anyone, yep. And I'm here. I'm gonna start sharing shortly, like I told Sasha too. Let me share my yesterday's trade. I'm gonna put that shortly in our what do you call chat
Yeah, since I start doing it, TJ, it helped me more. It helped me think before taking a trade.
Yeah,
Just not
I know, Ben.
because
Yeah.
I have to present it. I have to be,
Yes.
comfortable for this and log it in. So that helps.
For the people that want this book, I'm gonna put it in link in the chat. Oh, it's just
that helped me a lot. I'm not gonna lie, right? And some of the notes that I put in our Discord and in our WhatsApp, it's from the same book as well.
okay.
Yeah. So, yep. Yeah, I keep having FOMO of missing out Asian moves, man. It's like midnight here, so I don't like to get up early and start trading. But,
Yeah, don't push it. Don't force it. If it doesn't suit you, don't do it.
But Sasha, I have to start looking at that 9 p.m. candles, man. That's good. I can still do that. I go to bed at 10:30, so that's hour and a half. I can still trade.
Yep, you can, or you can just enter with a small position, and
Yeah,
once
yeah,
it's
yeah.
across your level, put it at break even, go to sleep.
Yeah, that was. I've been watching that your comments and everything for last about week or so, and it's every damn day it moves between 50 to 70 pips, which is not bad.
Yes, and I have a partner in crime now. Who's that?
Oh yeah, I know. Okay, from next week. Next week I'll start doing that. Just want to take a breather this week and nothing much, but from next month I'm gonna start sitting down from 9
Yeah,
to
go on.
10:30
In fact, there should be all people who want to, trade that specific candle and hour. It's not always, but at least I find a setup 80% of the time, at least some pips there. So I'm doing it with Sami these days, and he's like, I do that too. I'm like, that's it. So we're there already. Whoever wants to.
So guys and girls, there's one thing I'm gonna say. Yeah, finish, and then we're gonna switch over to live trading lounge.
Okay, that's all. Go on.
Yeah.
Yes, we're gonna. If you want to hear more of that, you need to go to the live trading lounge.
Okay.
So here we have the live trading lounge. It's already live. This one right here, I think.
Wil jij geld
Oh
verdienen?
no, fuck out of here, man. So, make sure to go there and don't forget to subscribe. Get it to 1.4K today at least. Make sure to don't subscribe to me as well. I appreciate you guys being here. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. We'll be there in the live trading lounge for a couple more hours, so be there. Yeah, don't be square. Thank you guys for tuning in, and see you tomorrow. Sheesh. There we go.